Yeah, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for staying.
I was pushed up against the glass and I was really scared and I was like trying to tell Kato, please help.
So Kato went out and then a bunch of people went running towards Kato.
Yeah.
And then you got smushed up against the glass. Are you okay now? But it was super scary?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to hang out here for a few minutes and just chill out? So that's the reason why mall security doesn't want us anywhere out there. They don't want to start a stampede where people might get hurt. And so we have to understand and honor that, but it's super hard to be back here when everyone's out there waiting for us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we're going back to the green room. They said it's the biggest event they've ever had here at the mall, including Mr. Beast, including Jonas Brothers, including Tom Brady, biggest ever. To go from hoping 100 people show up to the biggest ever in one night is insanity. I want to get out there so badly I can't even explain. Some people slept overnight. They flew in from overseas somewhere. All they want is like more time. The police have said that they're gonna arrest me if I walk out there now. Arrest me for saying goodbye to everybody, which I get. They want to keep everyone safe. Get it. But there has to be a compromise somewhere.
The police are here. They want you and Salish gone completely, like back to the hotel.
Wait, what did they do?
Wait, what? Why?
Essentially, they said safety concerns.
What happens if I go out there?
You'll get arrested, 100%, no question. They will physically remove you. Like they have squad cars waiting.
They just said they're gonna charge you for trespassing if you guys stay here 5 more minutes.
We've already announced to everyone that you left. So you're not disappointing anyone.
Well, we just did. Disappointed tens of thousands of people. Okay, well, let's go. We're being escorted out because they've already told everybody we've left and we don't get to say goodbye to anybody. We're ending on a really bummed out note, I think. Most exhilarating moment, followed by the biggest bummer moment. We got police escort. Colin, you get this?
Yeah, as best I can. Actually insane. There's 2 police cars behind us.
Courtney, she's been our liaison. I'm gonna call her and see what she thinks about me coming back. Hi Courtney, it's Jordan. So we're back at the hotel. I wanted to thank you for everything today. I imagine that was really rough and I just appreciate everything you guys did. Crazy question. Is there any chance I can come back? I feel so terrible that I had to leave.
I don't think it's a good idea.
Out of curiosity, what would you put your estimate at for number of people there?
If I had to guess, I think we'd be beast. I would probably go, I don't know, 87. I think it's close, but we can get you a real number.
Did you say 87 as in 1,000?
Yes.
Wow, okay. Thank you for everything you did. You kept everyone safe, and I appreciate it so much.
Awesome, thanks Jordan.
Take care. They're not letting me go back to the mall to thank people, but 87,000 people, and we got to maybe talk to 1,000 of them. So 86,000 people left without getting to talk to us. So I hope they had fun at the pop-up. I hope they enjoyed the stage show. I'm so sorry. That's it. Thank you. Salish and I decided to go back to the mall the next day and meet as many people as we possibly could. It wasn't all 87,000 of them, but when we saw the smiles on their faces, we were thrilled that we could make at least a few of them happy. In the end, it's all about you guys, and your support means the world to us. Thank you.
Someone just took my dad and sent me this message.
You have 6 hours to find your dad or we will delete his YouTube channel forever. You can track him with your phone and you have to overcome a series of extreme obstacles successfully.
Was there a trash can there?
He was inside of the stupid trash can! What? He was inside of the trash can and nobody let me look inside of it! I'm scared! Hudson, go!
Salish, Hudson, hurry! Hurry!
You want to find him before we delete his channel.
Actually, it's my channel and I don't want my channel to get deleted, so let me check the security cameras first. My dad knows whoever took him because he's smiling.
What are you doing here?
And then he gets yanked into the van and taken. And even worse, they stole Hudson's car. Hudson, hide! Come downstairs.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Dad's missing and we'll have 6 hours to find him.
Who took him?
I don't know. Come on, Marie. Come on, can you film us? Let's go. Let's go.
What is going on?
Salish has 6 hours to find you or deleting your YouTube channel.
Deleting my channel? Wait, who's this guy?
Oh, this is my security to make sure you don't run away. At any point you try to escape, not only will he catch you, there will be a consequence.
Okay, what's with the weird voice? I know who you are. The person behind this mask is...
Like this.
Why are you doing this?
The reason why I kidnapped Jordan is so everybody in the house would follow us. Therefore, my hacker can sneak into the house and break into their YouTube channel. He said it would take 6 hours to delete the channel. So if they don't find us by then, bye-bye Jordan's YouTube channel.
Let's go. We gotta find Dad.
Do you know where Dad is? Do you have his fine friends?
Let's see.
Who on earth would kidnap my
Okay. 2 minutes away.
Okay, you want to give me a towel? Thank you.
Wait, before you wipe it off, can I get a selfie? This is good blackmail.
You've got it on camera already.
Oh, yeah!
If we can't find him, then the channel will get deleted.
And the Knicks game starts kind of soon, so you only have me for another 5 hours.
Oh my gosh, bro. That's the
the more important
stupidest
part.
thing I've ever heard.
They're thinking that this is going to be an easy challenge for them, but I'll push these two to their limits, making them run around the biggest haunted ship in the world while I'm throwing their dad into the ocean inside a trash can. I think that would be enough time for my hacker to delete their channel forever. So it's time for my first trap. Blue car, you know what to do.
What is this Oh no. What is happening?
Hudson, this is the person that's for sure for the video. No, Hudson! It's for the video, I swear.
Wait, someo's behind us. What is happening here?
Hudson, it's to distract us.
Okay, we don't know for sure.
Oh my
Salish,
God,
go help him. Go help him.
Oh my
Salish, go help him.
gosh. Hudson, help!
Thank you. Yeah, sorry guys.
Hudson, help us!
There's a chance this is not for the video, in which case I feel very bad for this poor guy.
Hey, let's go!
Okay, we're good.
Turn to the right, turn to the right!
You told me laughed earlier.
No, I didn't.
Okay, Salish, I need you to lock in here, okay?
Okay, but guess
I don't
what
want any funny business.
I got 2 pink ones.
You stole his candy?
Yes. And you're gonna turn to the
What
left.
if he was real? You just stole that guy's candy.
Bro, I know he's not real.
I'm taking a left here.
Oh my gosh, go!
Isn't it your anniversary today?
Yeah.
Happy anniversary. How many years has it been? 120?
Not only are you kidnapping me, but now you're doing age jokes. It's gonna be a long day.
Am I getting on the highway?
Look, you're taking a little turny thing.
Okay, so yes, I am getting on the highway, and now I missed this line.
Merge into the 405 San Diego Fleet.
Fleet? You mean freeway?
Sure.
Oh, goodness gracious. This is gonna be a long day.
Where are we?
You're at your first location. Mr. Big's gonna take you.
Mr. Big? Okay.
Remember, don't run. The first obstacle is the splatter studio. To get to Jordan, they're gonna get totally painted while he escapes.
I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna try and escape, believe me. Okay. Oh wait, I love this place, the Splatter Studio. This place is so fun, you can splatter paint. Are you about to splatter me with paint? Is that what they're doing?
Oh. They're at the splatter studio. It looks really messy. This way.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, boys, we made it.
All right, let's go. I've got some suspects in mind, but the big question is, who's actually the kidnapper?
Please, being kidnapped!
Splatter Studio. Oh, I see him!
Hey, come on, hurry! Whoa, where are we going? They're right there.
Good job. You guys got here. Now all you have to do is tag your dad. You have to get splattered first.
Who are you?
Oh, heck no.
Guys, would you please just go through the paint and come get me? If you tag me, this is over. I keep my channel.
I bought this in Japan. I can't get another
I'm
one.
not getting dirty.
There's something on the table. Look at it.
Proceed without a shoot at your own risk. What about my shoes?
Did you see how slow they're being? I'm right here. Just come get me.
Hudson, hurry up.
Salish, you look ridiculous.
Salish, why are you doing a selfie? Come get me.
3, 2.
Paint that.
Stop pushing me. Oh, okay, I'm going. Stop pushing me.
Hudson, wait.
Come on, Salish.
Okay, are we going up here? Okay.
Go! Oh, no! My hair!
I got so much pain on my skin.
Me too.
They're right there. Help! Guys, come get me, guys!
Wait, check the tracker.
No, you. No!
And after all that mess, Salish finally realized I was on the move again.
Guys, we gotta leave. He's not here anymore.
Oh, there we go.
We're free. Do I have stuff in my hair?
Yeah, it's all over you.
No! My white pants!
Where's he at, say?
Whoever this kidnapper is must be totally crazy to trap us in this wild studio.
You think that's crazy? Just wait till I take them to the most haunted ship in the world. Because I need to buy as much time as possible so my hacker can destroy their channel once and for all.
Oh, okay. You have to hold my arm. Where are we going?
The next obstacle is at the Illusion Magic Lounge, and I have some cool surprises for them.
It says they're at Magic Illusions.
What is this? Ouch. He's a strong guy.
Shoot, we're going the wrong way.
Oh my god!
First, they'll have to find the secret door. And after that,
Cool. This is the secret room. Ow. Oh.
I'll have some distractions ready for them.
Okay, all right, okay.
I'm a little mad that I'm a little dirty. It's right here.
Let's see how long it takes them to figure out what's happening here.
Let me in.
Because my hacker just needs a couple more hours to finish the job.
Hudson, it's a secret room.
Oh, it's
right
gotta be
here.
a secret door.
It's this one.
Okay, where are we? This is cool. It's like an illusion play. Oh, hi, John.
Jordan.
Can I say hi? It's just an old friend. I've been kidnapped. Can you call for help? I've been kidnapped. Can you? Whoa. Oh, okay. Hi.
Wait, what was that?
It's a door.
Yeah, wait. Oh. Whoa.
Who's that? You ready? Yeah.
Sorry, John. Is this for me? Whoa, okay. John, it's true. I'm being kidnapped.
Everybody say abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
And of course, instead of looking for me, they fell for the trap and got distracted.
What the? Are they real? Wait, it's okay. Come land on me. Wait, it's so cute.
Hudson, you're letting a distraction.
Okay, go this way.
Hudson! No, it's this way, bro. Come here. I tried to pet it and it started flopping.
Good job. You guys made it. John is here to give you the next challenge and maybe a clue to find your dad.
Oh no.
I guess we're in a theater and this is the control room. And my guess is that Salish and Hudson are supposed to do a polygraph test. And I guess I'm supposed to stand here and watch them do a polygraph. Is that what's happening? I'm gonna take that as a yes.
You're now trapped in this room. I'm John, a certified polygraph examiner.
We know.
You must tell the truth to every question for a clue to find your dad.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. All right, I'm going first.
Come on, let's go.
Who does your dog Boomer love more, you or Salish?
Me, 100% me.
That's true.
Okay, that's true that you think that.
Nope, Boomer's mine.
What is happening right now? Why am I here?
Did you crash your dad's car into a pole and not admit it?
Yeah.
True. What's your favorite thing about Salish?
Her personality.
True. Do you love Salish?
No, I'm just kidding, yeah.
Hudson?
True.
They are so close to me, but I can't do anything.
Hudson was truthful, and now it's Salish's turn. Do you have a secret social media account?
Yeah.
What?
True. Does Hudson have Riz?
No.
That's such cap.
True.
Such cap.
What is your favorite thing about Hudson?
I like that he's like different from other brothers and he actually hangs out with me unlike other brothers.
True. Do you love Hudson?
Yeah.
True. Okay, you both told the truth, and now for your clue. Your dad is hidden behind a secret door, but he's about to be taken away, so you better be quick.
Thank you so much, John. Go this way. I'm scared. Hudson, go!
My jaws.
Hudson! Open the door, bro.
It's locked.
He said secret door. It's gonna be something you twist.
Salish, Hudson, hurry!
Hudson, it's up here!
He's behind the door. Go.
Hurry!
Hudson, go check behind the curtains. I'll check over here.
Hurry, Salish! Okay, I'm sorry, don't get me, don't hurt me.
Hudson, he was yelling from here.
Oh, this glass?
What? I'm supposed to get in this? Okay, wait. We don't wear helmets here? This does not feel safe. Where are we going? Why am I on a bike?
Nope, he's not behind me.
He's left.
He's not here.
He's not here.
And to make things even worse for them, it's not just that my kidnapper is taking me even further away, but they still have to find the secret exit hidden in the theater.
Salish, he said secret door in the theater. Wait.
It's a door.
Wait, watch out, move. Wait, what was that? Whoa.
He was in this room.
He's not gonna be there still.
Wait, look. We gotta get in the car, Hudson. Where is the car?
Oh, I think we're going to the pier, huh? I'm being kidnapped by the, okay, we're going again.
Who could it be?
I get someone that we know.
I just got a text from the hacker. It's gonna take probably another few hours until he can delete the YouTube channel.
We just need to get to the car and then we can find the tracker.
You're the navigator. You have the direction.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea where we went.
I guess that's where we're going. Those are cones. We're just going right through the cones. Okay, we're going through them. Okay. I'm going.
We're at the beach, I think. Look,
We're going the wrong way then. We're going the wrong way.
Hudson, say it. I'm going to the pier.
Oh, they're at the pier, They're at the pier.
It's 12:21 right now. We gotta get moving.
Salish is right. You guys are running out of time. Hurry up. Why do you guys want to delete my channel? I've been working 8 years on that channel. That's 8 years of growing up on camera. Challenges, pranks, flying solo. This channel isn't just a page, it's our life story.
Why'd we walk this way? We walked farther away from him.
Oh my gosh, Salish!
At the pier, Jordan will hide inside of a trash can. When the kids arrive, the tracker will be turned off.
What is happening? That's my phone. You're turning off my tracker?
Hudson, get the tracker.
It says no location found.
Oh, okay. Why did you give me, you want me to vlog with this? You're not gonna put me in there.
If Jordan acts out, he will be rolled into the ocean in the trash can.
Last time we saw him, he was on the pier.
If I call out, I'll get thrown into the ocean while I'm in the trash can, so I really want to get out of this trash can now.
They will have to meet with Sophie Dossie to turn their tracker back on.
All right, we're on Santa Monica Pier, but for some reason the tracker's off, so we have to find him.
I don't know where I am, but why did we just stop?
Oh, I see Sophie Dossie.
Let's go ask her if she saw my dad.
Hey guys. Well, first of all, I know who the kidnapper is.
Well, who is it?
Probably you.
That'd be awesome if it was me.
That would be pretty
Yeah.
cool.
I sent Sophie to meet them at the pier, but none of them have any idea they're standing right next to Jordan.
Salish and Hudson are right there, but if I call out, I'm gonna get pushed into the ocean.
I have your guys' next clue. Your tracking has been turned off, and it will be turned on again once you make 3 baskets.
Oh, dude, easy, bro. Come with me, Sophie.
Hudson, why would there be a random trash can?
Please find me.
Hudson, I think he's...
Does anybody know where the basketball courts are?
I'm right here.
Hudson, I swear he was in that trash can.
No, she was not in the trash can.
I know he was in that trash can.
This makes no sense. Why would want to delete my channel? We're friends. Whatever. Get me out of this thing, would you?
Where's the basketball hoop? Oh, it's right here. It's right here.
If they want to find Jordan again, they'll have to beat this basketball challenge. 3 shots, 1 chance. Or they're stuck there for good, and I'll delete Jordan's YouTube channel forever.
Hudson, we're gonna split up. I'm gonna go check out that trash can.
Dude, there's nothing in the trash can.
Why
Nothing
would
in it.
Sophie just be standing next to a trash can?
Yeah, where is Sophie? Guys, where'd Sophie go?
I'm gonna go to the trash can. Bye.
I remember when Salish used a trash can to win yet another challenge. She is hiding herself in the trash can? Are you kidding?
This is my only way out.
You know, Team Salish is way ahead of Team Jordan with this Matter Cup thing. I gotta pick up my game. Did they just leave me here? Am I allowed to get out? Hello? Excuse me, there's someone in here.
I think he for sure was in that trash can. Here.
What trash can? I didn't even see
The
it.
one Sophie was standing next to. Now it's not there, is it? Oh my.
Was there a trash can there?
He was inside of the stupid trash can.
What?
I'm standing. He was inside the trash can and nobody let me look inside of it.
I gotta make 3 shots, right?
You have to make 3 baskets, but you only have 5 shots. If you miss it, not only your dad's channel will be gone forever, but your dad is going to have a pretty trashy swim lesson.
There's 1. There's 2. Okay, I got 3. I got 3. I got 3. I got 3. Now, what's my clue?
Clue?
Sophie has it, doesn't she? Oh, I got 2 more shots, huh?
5 for 5!
I have a feeling Sophie has the clue and we don't know where she is, so I'm gonna get Sophie something to, you know. Can I do the will you be mine?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Hey.
I gave them a chance. Now it's time to put Jordan on the run again.
Oh, hi, it's you again. Oh.
We know Salish is at the trash can.
If you don't find Sophie, who are you gonna give the heart to?
I'll find someone.
It was so obvious that he was in that stupid trash can. No, Salish, she's not in the trash can. He was in that stupid trash can.
I would run away, but this is what happens when I try it. That was a joke, it was like a test. You don't have to hold my arm, I'm not gonna run away. Hi, sure. This guy's trying to kidnap me and delete my channel. If you see Salish, tell her that we're leaving the pier, okay? Tell her we're leaving the pier.
Where's Sophie?
All I know is that he was in the trash
Okay,
can.
but she has our clue, and I made all 5 shots, so I got her a will you be mine thing.
Is that you shooting your shot?
That's me shooting my shot.
Oh, you turned my tracker back on? Okay, so we weren't tracking that whole time? No wonder they didn't know where I was.
Okay, well the clue is turning the tracker back on.
That was it? That was the clue?
He's at hot dog on a stick.
Sophie, I'll get this to you one day.
Where's hot
Hot
dog
dog
on
on
a
a stick? It's
stick?
right up here. I've seen it before.
Oh, I see it. He's up there. He's up there.
Okay, I guess we're getting back in this creepy van, which, by the way, did you steal Hudson's car?
Yeah.
Why?
The cops see me. I want Hudson to get in trouble, not me.
Check the tracker.
I'm checking it.
Go, 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 go!
What's
Oh, that's the van. That's the van.
Wait! Stop! Stop!
No!
That was Salish. She almost caught us. What happened?
Why didn't you help me?
What do you mean? I was trying to catch up to you.
I was hanging on the door and they kept driving. I've caught him twice and nobody's helped me.
Okay, the next game starts in 4 hours, a little bit less than that, so we've got to put some pep in our step.
All I'm saying is if you want to get to that next game, you're going to start having to actually look for him.
I understand I can't run away, but can I call out to them?
You can try, but it didn't work. So it won't work next time.
All right, let's look at the tracker. They're 25 minutes away.
Oh my days! Even if we don't get them by 5 o'clock, I'm gonna watch the game.
Your dad's missing.
I love these kind of videos, but not right now because my channel's on the line.
Wait, you don't like being kidnapped?
Kinda no.
Who do we think the mystery guest is? Who would want the channel deleted?
I couldn't tell anything. It was a map. It had a voice thingy on.
I'm gonna lean toward a taller man, maybe a bit lean. Maybe they're famous. Could it be Need-All?
Let me check. Oh, shoot.
No. Salish?
You were supposed to get on that.
Wait, are you being dead serious? Oh, Papa Bear's calling me.
Dad!
I'm with your father right now. You're running out of time.
We're running out of time.
Well, no, duh.
The next challenge is going to be even harder.
He said the next challenge is going to be even harder.
That's cap. There's no way.
Hey, what's the next challenge going to be?
Get ready to lose.
Nice talking to you.
Bye-bye, channel. Oh, they hung up.
He's in Queensland.
Wait, is he on the Queen Mary?
The next stop is Queen Mary, the most haunted ship in the world.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Good luck and don't get possessed.
I guess I'll just get out. Okay, we'll do it that way.
Hey, look.
He's at the Queen Mary!
Literally at the Queen Mary.
He's at the Queen Mary? Oh, what a shot!
Let me guess, we're in a hurry again? Yep, I guess we're in a hurry. Like, how many stairs are we doing? No, a lot. Okay.
You know that room? It's like room 340 or something.
B340.
Yeah, B3. Wow, look at my memory. Maybe he's in there.
One of the most haunted rooms aboard the ship.
Oh, good.
Wait, Salish, which way? Salish.
I don't know.
You're upside down. The phone is upside down.
It's out. It says Queen Mary that way. Hudson!
I kind of feel like I have a bodyguard. I'm being kidnapped right now. Is that the SOS signal? You're welcome.
That's the van. Where? That's the van. That's the car. That's my car.
What am I supposed to do? Is it that Salish and Hudson are coming this way and then they're gonna see me and they're gonna think they have to come all the way top and it's like a decoy? That's how I'd play it. Cool, good talk. Okay, I feel like we're connecting. It's like a bonding thing.
Stop, we're 200 feet away.
Salish! Hudson! Salish!
Hudson!
I see him!
Guys, hurry up! Come up! Salish! Hudson, come!
How do we just go?
How do we get up?
I don't know where they're gonna take me next. Hurry!
They took him!
Let's go, Hudson.
Now they have to search a huge haunted ship to find their dad. There are over 300 rooms. Who knows what's hiding inside? Seems like my hacker will have plenty of time to delete Jordan's channel.
Chill.
Welcome to the Queen Mary. Welcome aboard. I have your room key.
Thank you. That guy was for sure staged.
There were people behind us, and he didn't say anything to them.
The next location is the Queen Mary, the most haunted ship in America. Salish and Hudson will get clues to find Jordan, but I planted a scary security guard to get in their way. Meanwhile, Mr. Big will hide Jordan in his room so Salish won't find him.
Why is this dude here again?
Just working.
You're like definitely like the butler at the haunted mansion. Oh! What the heck is that? Don't touch me!
Hudson, go right after him! Go, get him!
I'm scared. You see how I fought back?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Guys, we gotta hurry up. Let's put a pep in our steps. And pep. Oh shit, cranky. Oh!
No, Salish!
Oh, they're getting close. Mr. Big, hide Jordan now.
What's happening? I gotta get here? Okay, jeez.
No, Salish!
No. Salish, Hudson, I'm in here. Oh, sorry.
Guys, A17 doesn't exist.
Oh, Salish, I found it.
Mr. Big, if the area is clear, move to a different location.
Whoa! A ghost tracking this room!
No.
Oh, someone's in there!
No one's in there.
Look! Salish!
There's nobody in there.
Oh, there is someone in there.
I'm too scared.
In the corner, going through someone in there.
Why am I going?
There you go, just go.
Why did you lock him in there? Let me out. There's nobody in there.
It's the dude. It's the dude who fell earlier in the car.
Do you have a clue? Please give me a clue.
Turn on the TV.
Come here.
Hudson and Salish, you're on the Queen Mary, one of the most haunted places in the world, and you're sitting in one of the scariest rooms. Your only hope is a clue, and I've got Sam and Colby to give you one.
What's up, Salish and Hudson? It's Sam and Colby. We have done a ton of videos at the haunted Queen Mary ship, but today you are trying to rescue your dad.
This ship is absolutely massive, so that tracker is not really going to help you that much.
We've set up clues, and each of them are going to get you closer and closer to finding your dad.
Your first clue is going to be in the engine room.
Good luck.
The what?
The engine room. Let's go. go.
I get it. You're moving me around so the tracker's gonna confuse them. So we're just walking around. Have you seen any ghosts? Oh my God, coffee. Actually, no, you don't understand. I kind of have to have coffee. Okay, I just want some coffee. Oh, I guess no coffee for me today.
Guys, look, it's the same guy.
Have this brochure for your stay.
Thank you.
I actually don't like that guy.
Find the engine room.
I thought you just did.
Let's go.
No, that's not gonna help, Salish.
Finds ghosts, right?
Oh, Salish, we have to go to the D deck. Yeah, we have to go to elevator 1, ground level.
Is it hard to see with sunglasses? Like, let's say I did this. Okay, I guess you can see me. So I'm not gonna try to escape anymore. All right, one more time. I'm not gonna try. I'm actually not. Those are serious muscles. Like,
Is this where the boat runs? Wait, say, come this way, say.
Wait, this is actually really creepy.
all right, okay, yeah, I get it. Right, they're coming. Oh, we have a restaurant reservation? Aren't you kind of wondering what his voice sounds like?
Oh, maybe it's a person, Hudson. Oh my gosh.
You want to find your dad? You want to find him? Yes. You're gonna go hit a hole in one somewhere on this ship.
Oh, I'm gassed and ready to go.
Now!
Okay.
Now!
Okay.
Was that the clue?
Okay.
Yeah! Right, go!
Okay, he said to go find mini golf somewhere.
I bet it's outside.
Okay, looks like I got another text from the hacker. Another hour till I can delete the channel and the kids lose.
Wait, Hudson, there's a map right here. It'll be on the sports deck. Let's go to 6.
What are we doing? Are we going to the top of the ship?
Let's look over here. It's right there.
I gotta be quiet. I just heard Salish Hudson.
Not exactly the mini golf setup I was expecting, but I have to get a hole in one.
Salish Hudson! Salish Hudson!
Hudson!
I heard his voice go.
What am I supposed to do? What's wrong? What happened?
I didn't get the hole in one.
Excuse me? Where did the guy that was right here go? Thank you.
Salish, where'd he go?
He went this way.
Mr. Big hurt his Achilles. I guess we're running away from Hudson and Salish. I know he can still kick my butt even with the torn Achilles. I gotta help you down.
So nice of Jordan helping Mr. Big. That's the same thing as helping me delete his channel.
Did anybody just see a man with a bald spot walk past?
We lost him. Wait, stop. Guys, I think he's leaving. Guys, let's look him from the parking lot.
Salish! Hudson! Salish!
They're right there!
Is that them?
Yes, that's them!
Go!
Go! All right, do you want to go a little faster? Guys, I almost caught Dad. Hudson, come on! Go.
We have an hour.
Hudson, he's still near us.
Say which way?
Straight. Long Beach Freeway. We're only a mile away from him, and their car is a lot slower than this one.
And he tore his Achilles. He's hobbling down. Don't you think we should take him to a hospital? At least get him some ice or something. Let's pull over, right?
Yeah, we can handle that in an hour.
An hour?
That's about how long you have until your YouTube channel is deleted. Why are you driving so slow?
I'm right on his tail. West or east?
Normal.
Normal is not an answer.
I have a feeling Salish is navigating, so I'm gonna throw her off by doing a bunch of turns.
What, do you think she wouldn't be any good at it?
No, I don't.
You're probably right, actually. I have a feeling they've taken a couple of wrong turns.
Where is he? Still on this road?
Yeah.
How far away is he?
A minute.
Get off right now, we gotta go. Go in different directions.
He exited. Hudson, we have to do a U-turn.
A U-turn on the highway? No, Salish!
Only 2 minutes ahead of them.
2 minutes, step on it!
2 minutes, let's go!
Where's the duck?
No, okay, I won't say anything else.
Wait, where do I go, say?
Straight. No, not here! Straight that way!
You're an awful navigator.
No, it's your fault.
How is that my fault?
But you know what? I think this has been kind of a bonding experience. Give it up. Let's go. You're not gonna delete my channel, right? How much time is left?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Turn left here. Or right here. Right.
What? Left or right?
Right.
We're about to get there, you guys gotta go. Oh, I guess I'm gonna do this. Okay.
You think that's like not suspicious? Mr. Big tore his Achilles. I'm so sorry. So now mystery person is, I guess, gonna do the rest of this. I think we're gonna win this one.
My expert hacker is hard at work, breaking into Jordan's YouTube channel as we speak so that I can delete it.
We're 12 minutes away.
It just said 4.
Then turn right here.
That's not right.
Okay. Person in a weird mask. I'm Salish, and this is Hudson.
You guys don't look like Salish and Hudson.
Oh, okay. I guess not.
Come on.
What's the
Intuit Dome?
What's that?
He's going to the Cosm.
He's going to the want Cosmo to see the next game.
Yes.
I'm way stronger. Okay, actually, I guess you're pretty strong. This is Cosm, the Knicks playoff game. Hudson is obsessed. This is so smart.
Since Hudson is a huge basketball fan, I set up some awesome seats for him to watch the Knicks game. But if Hudson leaves the building, he loses the seats. Let's see if he'll keep chasing Jordan once they arrive.
Knicks playoff game, Hudson's gonna see this. You got this nice booth. He's not gonna wanna leave, right? Why do you want to delete my channel?
If we don't catch him in an hour, then the channel will be deleted, and I don't want the channel to be deleted.
When you see Hudson and Salish, you are free to call for them.
You don't think they're gonna catch us?
No.
Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna call their name. There's nothing you can do about it. You can't make me, ow! Okay, ow! Cosm is like my favorite place to watch sports, movies, concerts, anything. This place is sick. I already know Hudson is going to freak out for this.
Bring him.
Let's go, Salish. Game starts in 25 minutes.
Look at how short this person is. Have you figured it out yet? Who do we know that's short? Nadal Wonder, Baran, Gigi, lots of other people.
Follow me, I'll show you to your seats.
Hudson, look for him.
He's bringing us to our seats. What is happening?
I have Hudson's friend promising him front row seats if he stops looking for his dad.
I see them, they're right there. Look.
Where's my dad?
Dude, I got us front row tickets. Come here.
What about finding him?
Forget about him.
No, Hudson.
This is the moment of truth. What does Hudson value more? His favorite basketball team or the channel I spent my life building?
If you go and find your dad, I lose these tickets. If you don't sit and watch the game front row with me, I have to leave and I don't get to watch. So you.
All right, sorry, say good luck.
Let's go, my boy.
Good luck, bro. Let's enjoy this game.
Salish! Hudson! Come get me!
Hudson!
Don't leave the building.
Oh, ow! Oof, okay. No, okay, that's gonna rip my shirt. That's a really good shirt.
Guys, where would he have went?
Oof, okay. Oh, where are we going?
Hacker just texted me. He only needs 30 minutes, and then Jordan loses his channel forever.
Is there a note? Is there anything here?
No, but those fries. Check the tracker. He could not have left because we were on him. He's like outside.
Salish!
He left.
Hi, I'm getting kidnapped by like a 4-foot person. Yeah, come here, help me out. Yeah, help me out. Guys, you're subscribed, that's amazing.
That was smart of Jordan. Not just they're holding me back, but now the viewers can tell Salish and Hudson where we are.
You get destroyed by your daughter every day.
Did you just say I was a loser?
Yeah. You have a Sailor Sam crush on your daughter.
Just no, she doesn't have a crush on him. They're just really good friends, like best friends. Look at how happy our channel makes people. Like, why would you delete it? Okay, oh my God, how did you learn how to do, ow.
We were right behind him. He must have taken like an elevator or something.
Okay, we're watching a movie.
There's only a few minutes left before I can delete Jordan's YouTube channel. There are 12 movie theaters in this next location. Salish has to find her dad hidden in one of the theaters. She'll never make it in time.
He's at Cinepolis. It's a 4-minute walk.
We're hiding.
I gotta lay down. Okay.
Did you guys see my dad?
Yes! He's in here! He's in here! He got kidnapped!
Doesn't say what theater. Where? Movie's playing. Wait, which one was that in T1?
Yes!
I got him! I won!
You saved the channel!
Yay!
Wait, no, wait. When did that end?
Wait, who took you? Wait, so who are you? I knew it! Hudson and I were right!
I know who the kidnapper is.
Well, who is it?
Probably you.
That'd be awesome if it was me.
That would be pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Did you guess Sophie?
Yes! Why do you want to delete my channel?
She's not deleting your channel, she's deleting my channel.
Your channel?
Let's be honest, it's Salish's channel.
Her channel. Okay.
So me and Salish are both nominated for Creator of the Year for Kids' Choice
I
Awards.
know, congratulations.
Yeah.
Kids' Choice is a huge deal.
I thought if I deleted your channel, it would make you guys not be able to ask people to vote for you guys.
Oh!
And then you would win
I
because
would
we
win.
couldn't get anyone to vote for Salish.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. Actually, the timer ran out 5 minutes ago.
No.
Yeah.
No, Sophie,
Yeah.
no, Sophie,
Yeah.
do not.
By the way, I have a hacker at your house who's hacked into your computer, so all I need to do is send a text.
No, actually, wait.
What if I make a video for you and that's like telling people to vote for you? And then you don't have to delete our channel and then you will win.
I mean, I'm okay with that, yeah.
Yay!
Good call,
I'll
Salish.
tell him not to do it.
My gosh.
Okay, the channel is safe.
Okay, so he's not deleting the channel.
He's not deleting the channel.
Hi guys, it's Salish. I just want to let you know, even though I'm nominated for Creator of the Year for Kids' Choice Award, I want you guys to vote for Sophie and not me so that she can win. So yeah, go vote for Sophie for Creator of the Year.
Posting that right now.
Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. Vote for me.
Wait, what'd you say? Salish? Salish, what did you say?
Vote for Salish.
If you don't vote for me, that'll happen to you too.
Today, my daughter Salish will compete against me in a series of extreme challenges. And every time one of us wins, we get a dumpling. The first person to open 5 dumplings wins the Matter Cup and a mystery prize. First challenge, balloon pop. First player to pop all their balloons, get to the top and pop the red balloon, wins the first dumpling. 1, 2, 3, go. No!
Ow! Great.
Ouch!
What? Oh shoot!
You gotta go back and pop them. Ah, why does that hurt? Whoever pops the final balloon gets the first dumpling. And if you're able to find the gold glitter dumpling after any of the challenges, you'll win the Matter Cup instantly. And the way these challenges are looking, finding a gold dumpling might be my only hope for beating Salish. Why am I already tired?
They're not popping!
What I didn't realize, the ramp is extremely slippery. Whoa, no, wait, Salish, no. How are you supposed to get?
These stupid balloons!
How am I supposed to get? Salish!
Okay.
Salish is using the edge of the ramp for traction. Why didn't I think of that? No! Salish, no! How did you do that? No! Salish, no!
Yeah!
Salish now has 1 dumpling, and the first person to 5 wins the Matter Cup. But if she opens a gold dumpling right now, she automatically wins everything, and the game is over.
Come on.
No.
Gold.
Yes! Moving on to round 2. Next challenge, knockdown. Whoever falls 3 times loses, and the winner, which will be me, gets a dumpling.
All right, bro.
This is so easy. Like, why is this even a challenge? Okay, actually, I don't know. Whoa, I forgot about that part. Wait, this is going faster suddenly? What?
You're like, I got this. This is so easy.
Wait, I forgot about that one. Whoa, these are coming fast. Okay, that is actually harder than I thought it would be. Whoa, frick!
Remember when he said this was gonna be easy?
Whoa, okay, we're doing this. Okay, we went the other way now. Boom! Matter Cup. Oh no! That came out of nowhere. Okay. Oh, yes! We are all tied up. Whoever falls next loses. I'm actually pretty springy at this. Like, look at me. I want this Matter Cup this week, and I'm not giving up. So you're going down, little girl. Okay. This is actually pretty easy, too. I'm getting into a rhythm now. Whoa, that came pretty fast.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, is this going fast? Uh-oh.
Oh, my God.
Replay, who fell first? No!
Yes, let's go! I won! Guys, where's my dumpling?
Salish only needs 3 more points to win, and there are dozens of dumplings on this table for her to choose from. Any dumplings we don't open are going to you guys, so comment below if you want one. Go, pick one.
Okay.
Please don't be the golden dumpling.
I need to pick a good one.
Please don't be the golden dumpling. Pick the wrong one, it's not the golden dumpling.
I need
keep
a
playing.
good one. Okay, I'm just gonna pick this one.
Come on, please, no golden dumpling.
Come on. Please have it.
Please not. Let's go! Next challenge is money drop. We each have to keep our balloons in the air and catch as much money as we can. Whoever has more money in 2 minutes wins this challenge. But if your balloon touches the ground, you have to drop all the money you've collected and start over. By the way, guys, just want you to know, this is all real money. Wait, this is crazy. Oh, where's my balloon? No!
I'm great at this game.
I just got 3.
Yo, Dad, no! What are you doing?
No! 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 No, you don't! Yeah.
No!
Yes! Yes!
No!
She just dropped her balloon last second! Salish's balloon dropped at the very end, so she loses all her money and I win. Let's go! This is all I needed! Boom! I finally got my first point, but I do not want to do the rest of the challenges we have planned, so I really hope I get a gold dumpling. I'm gonna just pick this one right here. I feel good about this
Well,
one.
you don't know if it's gonna be golden.
You can only get a golden dumpling, one in like thousands of these dumplings. So if I get one right now, that would be so lucky, and then I would win this entire thing. I get this present, I get this amount of cup. Let's go, please, 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 please. Here we go.
Yes!
I don't know, it's got glitter in it or something, so if you guys want this, I don't know, comment below.
Next challenge, slime search.
Why am I doing this? Why are you doing it?
I mean, it looks cute.
It is so
pink.
slippery in here. The pool I'm standing in right now is filled with pink slime.
And inside of it is a Go-Go Squeeze Slimes pouch. If you can find the pouch in 90 seconds, then you win the whole challenge.
If I'm gonna get my shirt stained, I am not getting a black t-shirt stained. That's why I'm wearing white.
3.
Wait, 2.
It's
okay, okay.
1, go.
Okay.
Go, go, go. This video is sponsored by Go-Go Squeeze, and I'm so excited because of their 2 brand new flavors.
Wait, it's fun. I got it, yes.
Dad.
What's that? That's
sunny
sincerely
side
yours.
up. There's a lot of stuff in there.
It's not just the Go-Go Squeeze?
No, that would be way too easy. You might want to hurry up.
Oh, no.
The best part is that they're sweet and sour.
What is
How does it feel in there? Is it nice?
Are you sure it's even in here? Is this a prank? Is that Salish? I can't feel anywhere.
That's an orange.
Yes, wait.
No.
What? What are these, magnets? Salish.
Why are you looking at it?
I just gotta figure out what it is. I don't know.
Okay, Dad, time's ticking. 30 seconds.
30 seconds already?
Oh my gosh. Oh, Dad, do you mind? That's a rope. Yo, chill, Dad. You're gonna get it all over. Dad, you have 15 seconds. You might want to keep looking.
Where?
Do you actually not feel it?
It's not in here.
This is strawberry lemonade, which is of course my favorite. And this is blue raspberry, which is my dad's favorite.
Salish, don't forget they're made with real fruit.
They're sweet, sour, and surprisingly slimy.
Is this it?
No.
What is it?
It's a hammer. 7, 6.
I can't find it.
4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Let's go!
I got them. Yes, I got them.
Dad, time was up like 5 seconds ago. No, Dad!
Have I told you how much I love you? Actually, I love you too. Anybody want some Go-Go Squeeze? Come on. I'm Dennis. Andy, want some Go-Go Squeeze?
Oh my
really
gosh.
good. It's first to 5 points, and Salish has already won 3 challenges. I have to win these next 2, or she's gonna get the Matter Cup and the mystery prize. Please don't be golden
I
dumpling.
want to do green. Please be golden.
Okay. Oh, she's got to be all dramatic.
Please be golden. Please be golden.
I just want to see nothing gold. Nothing gold. Please. Let's go. Go. On to the next challenge. Let's go. This is the 11-layer balloon challenge, which basically means there's 11 layers and she has to cut 10 of them. And if she does without getting me wet, then she wins and opens the dumpling. But if I get wet, then I guess I open the dumpling, but I'm soaking wet.
Yeah, enough talking. Just get under it. Okay.
This is the first of 10 layers she has to cut, and I'm already stressed out. Dude, could you just hurry up with this? Why are you taking so long?
All good.
Oh, what was that? You just took off 2 layers.
Oh, then there's 3 layers that just came off.
She just cut 3 with 1. Here we go.
I'm really good at this, I guess.
Okay, if Salish cuts 10 layers without getting me wet,
that's 4.
She gets another dumpling and is 1 step closer to winning the mystery prize.
Oh.
What? How many more layers?
No, it's 5. I have 5 more layers. Ow!
This is so stressful. If any of you are judging me for being so stressed out, you try it.
I'm judging you. Are you ready?
No, this is where it gets really close to me.
It might pop right now, and I'm sorry.
Sailor, I don't want to do this.
It's gonna pop. Close your eyes.
You got another layer. Just go. Go! Oh no!
Did I lose?
Yes, you lost. So did I, but I get to open a dumpling. Obviously, I took a shower. Dude, did you do that intentionally?
Maybe.
Yeah, you just wanted to get me wet and you're willing to risk losing the entire
I'm not
thing?
talking.
Okay, so as you know, if this is gold, this whole thing is over and I win it all.
Please don't be gold. Please don't be gold.
This is exciting.
Not gold. It's not
Gold,
gonna be
it's all
gold.
over.
It's not gonna be gold.
If not,
not gold, not gold.
come on, gold.
No gold, no gold.
No!
Yes, let's go!
Oh!
Yes!
Next challenge, ice smash. First person to break their dumpling out of their ice block wins this challenge.
The team is hidden tools around the studio that will help us break the ice, so we have to go find them.
We have to find the tools and then we're gonna use them to break it. Oh yeah, you want some of this? Go
Okay.
ahead, you better go find your tool set.
Okay, it's slippery, it's slippery.
Okay, excuse me. Each of us are running around the studio to try to find tools that will help us get our dumpling out of the ice block.
Where are the tools?
I know where to go. Come on this way.
Could this work, Sandy? No.
Look, remember the pink? Yeah, I took a shower. It's still pink, but look what I have. I have this. Come on, let's go.
A stapler. Oh, I found a screwdriver. Let's go.
I'm gonna win another dumpling starting right now. What's wrong? Ah.
Oh my gosh, she's already going! You're already going?
Oh, wow.
Okay, you know what? Wait a second.
Let's go, let's go. This is gonna melt any second. This is out of here. Oh no. Okay, wait, that's working a lot faster.
Oh, shoot. This thing fell.
Is anything happening? This is so
Try to
far. No, this isn't working. Okay, let's go, let's find something else. I need a sledgehammer.
Oh yes, can I have this? Thank you.
Oh, how did Salish miss this? This is over. Salish, look at what I found. Hot water.
Okay, neutral time.
Wait. No, ah! That was a bad move. Okay, this hot water is not working like I thought, so I need to get a new tool.
A hammer? Why did you guys not tell me about the hammer?
There's a hammer?
Yeah, there's one over there. No, actually.
Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer.
You actually can't take it. Ow, it hurts. Okay, let's go find a new tool.
Rowan, where's something?
I don't know. I didn't hide him.
I can use your head.
A cheese grater? We're gonna try a cheese grater.
Excuse me, do you guys have a sledgehammer or something? Oh, there's lots of tools here. Oh my gosh.
Okay, not quite what I was looking for.
Wait till you see what the fan is for. Oh, do you mind if I break it? I will give it. Oh, come on. Oh, Salish! Boom! Say, you might want to move to the side. You might want to step aside. I'm about to win. Ow!
Dad, can you?
Ow!
Ow, ow, ow! Shoot, we need to find a new tool. Come on, what do you have? What's this?
It's an ice pick.
What's that?
It's sort of for this.
This is impossible.
So that doesn't do anything. All right, we need something else.
Watch me win in slow motion. Another dumpling for me. Ow, that hurts. Do I look cool like in super slow motion?
Bradley! Bradley! Do you have anything else to help me?
That's the closest thing to a
What the heck is this gonna do? Do you have any other idea? That's perfect. Thank you. Guys, can I just push the ice over? All right, Dad, can you chill with that for a second?
Ouch! Okay, I can't use this anymore. Forget it.
Guys, this is a heat gun, so it just is like a lot of heat. Wait, this might work.
Since the hot water kind of worked earlier, I'm gonna boil some more and try it again.
All right, I'm done with this stupid heat gun. Oh. Shoot, he's really close.
That did nothing.
I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tip over the ice, but to do that, I need protection on the floor, so we're just gonna put cardboard everywhere, I guess.
One more time, this is not doing it. But maybe it'll weaken enough I can go steal my bat back and I can just use the bat now that I've weakened it with the water. This challenge is difficult and now Salish is laying down cardboard. What is she planning? Is it getting too wet or something? All right, I gotta keep working.
Okay?
All right, yeah.
There's on?
Yes. I know one person who's Team Jordan. Oh God, okay, I've never used this before. But
fresh battery for you?
Okay, I push this down, I go.
And that cover will push back.
This is over. Thank you, Team Jordan, let's go. It's over, I get another dumpling.
3, 2, 1. Yes! It actually worked! It's literally out! It's literally out!
Oh my gosh, no. Salish.
Why did he not give that to me?
God, I feel like such a man. Look at how I'm manly right now, right? Oh, yes! 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 Just any minute! Let's go! Let's go!
Yes!
Oh my God!
Yes! I got it, Dad! I got it!
What?
Let's go!
You threw it on the ground?
Yeah!
That was smart.
I know!
If I had just known I could push the ice block onto the ground, I would have won that challenge.
Well, I didn't know I could either, but I did. You should have just done it.
I had the saw thing. Ugh. If she wins one more, this whole thing's over. She gets the present, she gets the Matter Cup.
I need this golden dumpling because I really want to win. I feel like this one could be golden.
It actually could. Any of these could be golden dumplings, but the odds are so low that any of them are. Let's see what happens.
Please be golden.
Please don't be golden. Don't be golden. No
Golden,
gold.
golden.
No gold. Gold, no gold. Let's go!
I picked such boring ones.
Whatever dumplings we don't open, we will give to you, and it's going to be anybody who is on our text chain. Link in description. Next challenge, penalty shootout. Salish and I are going to switch off playing goalie, and to shoot the ball, we've brought in 2 star players from LAFC, Nkosi Tafari and Denny Boanga. Denny was the top scorer in all of the U.S. in 2023. Oh boy. Whoever saves a goal first wins this round. I'm really scared.
I'm really scared too.
Seriously, again, can I get a Team Jordan, please? So I was curious, do you think you'll be able to get it past me?
Yes, of course. I think we have a pretty good chance.
If you want to just take it a little easy on me, we're good with that. Like if you want to just tap and let me win.
You said go as hard as I can.
No, I said easy. Whoa, wait, actually wait. Can we talk? Will you not hit me in the face?
No, only on the goal.
Are we gonna go hard for real or are we going easy at first?
Easy first.
I'll be over here if you want to just take that empty space so you don't hurt me.
Okay. Ready?
Okay, go. Oh, jeez! Oh.
There was no way I'm doing that.
Good luck, good luck. You got it.
You know what my jersey number is? 6'7".
6'7". Oh, let's do it. Let's go. 6'7".
Is it like a dance thing?
And it says my name on it. I don't think yours says your name on it.
What was that?
That was a good kick. She ran
okay,
out
this
of
is
the way.
over. You know what? I'm not going to bore you guys anymore. I'm going to win it right now. I'm not scared anymore. I was scared and now I'm not. Bring it. What do you got? Why are you looking so intense? Okay, I'm going to go this way this time. Oh, but I touched it. It didn't hurt. Now I feel good. I touched it and my hand doesn't hurt.
There was a little bit into it.
Hey!
You kicked in the exact same spot twice. I'm in your head now. You want this?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm just staring you down for a sec to intimidate you.
Okay.
Is it scary?
No.
Okay. Whoa! Oh, jeez! I want to give you a little help here. Go over to one side, and then they're going to kick it on the other side. You've noticed you've been scared here, and then he keeps kicking over there. So as soon as he starts to kick, go running over there.
No, but the thing is, I don't want to touch the ball. Should I go try and intimidate him?
Yes, go intimidate him. Get in his face.
Okay.
Stare him down, stare him down. Tell him something, say something, get in his head.
Are you scared?
That's not scary.
What do I say?
You're going to choke.
Okay.
That's good.
You're going to choke.
Okay.
I got to him.
You got to him.
I saw it.
He's going to miss.
Did you see it too?
Yeah, let's go. You did it.
Ew, you're sweaty. Oh,
No! It was like literally.
I went slower.
It was right at you. All you had to do was stand there and it hits you, and you ran out of the way.
It's scary.
Obviously, neither of us is going to be a professional goalie, but if I get lucky enough to block the ball, I win a dumpling.
What are you doing? I almost got it.
You didn't almost
You were
get
pretty
it.
close.
Easy, you can.
Go get it, Zay.
What? Oh. I tried to just give you a gift.
I know, but I
He
thought
kicked
it
it
was gonna
5
be
miles an
hard.
hour and she still missed it. All right, it's over. Salish, watch right now because I'm going to actually block it, I promise. Wow! Like, wow! Can you replay that in very slow motion a lot of times?
This is a good save.
No, that wasn't a good save. Don't give him credit.
Wait. Did you see it? It's pretty good.
That was a pretty good
Don't
save.
give him credit.
That was so big because if I hadn't blocked that ball, you could have won and this whole thing's over. I'm proud of myself. I should basically be a soccer player.
Are you gonna keep talking or are you gonna finally pick a dumpling?
Okay, I'm gonna pick one, but I had great luck because I was the only one that got a glitter dumpling, so I'm already kind of winning the dumpling war. I'm gonna go through this case. I'm just going through the case. I can't believe that you haven't done the case yet. Okay, I'm just gonna. It's 4-3. If this is a golden dumpling, I win this present, whatever's in it, and I win the Matter Cup, which is huge. If there's not a golden dumpling, go to another challenge.
Hey, can you please open it?
I know, but this would be thrilling. I'm gonna go center stage just because it's dramatic and I feel good about this one.
Please no, please no, please.
Golden dumpling. Golden dumpling, come on.
Yes! It's purple!
That's actually a pretty color.
I'm gonna go with the ugly colors.
This one's so pretty, I'm putting it back in this box. I'm not gonna throw it anywhere. We're gonna give this one to you guys as well. Next challenge, cut the fruit. Salish and I will take turns trying to cut fruit exactly down the middle. Salish, you go first. Which fruit do you want?
Which one looks better?
Oh, you going watermelon?
I think this one's easier.
Okay, so Salish is gonna try and cut it exactly down the middle, and whoever gets both sides weighing the same wins this challenge and another dumpling.
How do I cut it? Oh, wow.
Okay.
Oh, wait, that was uneven.
Oh, this is gonna be a victory.
That was uneven. That was
This is gonna be a victory.
No.
Victory! That couldn't be less even.
That is so even.
You think that's gonna be close?
If I just, wait.
No, you cannot do that. You're not allowed to start taking things out of it. Okay, so we're each gonna put these down on the scale and then we're gonna see how close the two numbers are together.
8.64.
8.64. So if this is 8.64, you cut it right down the middle. The difference between the two slices of watermelons was 2.46. So if I get closer than that, I win the first round. So the thing you did wrong, I think, was you went this way. I'm gonna go right down the middle because it's kind of giving me a center cut here.
Oof, you're really off.
Oh God. Oh no, I'm going left. No, I went the wrong direction.
You know.
No, I went the wrong direction.
6.61.
Please be close. Stay at 8. Give me an 8. 8.245. Oh, all right, round one goes to me. If I win the next one, this thing is over. I get another dumpling. Even if I win this point, the final challenge is going to be brutal. I'm up 1-0, and I get to choose. Excuse me. I think I'm going banana.
You're gonna mess up. No, Dad, you gotta go more that way.
Just get out of my head and out of my space. Get out of my head, out of my space. I'm just gonna cut this in the middle, and I'm gonna get it right down the middle. Boom, that feels good. That feels very, very good. I counted for the stem. I think this feels good. Ready?
0.165.
So this is gonna be 0.165.
0.130. That's really close.
Okay, the difference is 0.035. Good luck beating that one.
Well, Dad, you went like that. I'm gonna go like that.
That's a risky way to go. Ooh.
That's in the middle.
Ooh. No.
Just watch.
No.
No, I'm gonna cut this time on that side because this side's way bigger. Just try. Just watch, okay? I cut it.
Okay.
That's pretty even. Look at that, okay? You're laughing, but it's gonna be right, okay? 0.130. Oh,
Okay.
that was the same as
0.130. Go ahead.
that was the same as half of yours.
130.
130.
165. Wait.
Wait, we both.
We did the exact same thing? Are you kidding?
Dad, look. This one was also 165.
Yes, it was the same exact thing.
We're both 165.
Wait. Oh, that's crazy. That's
See,
actually.
you guys were all like, no, Salish, no.
That was pretty good. Okay, so we literally tied, so now we have to do another round. All right, Salish, pick your next fruit. If you win this round, we go to a final round. If I win it, it's all over. Might want to take your time.
Which one's more even?
I think that one, actually.
I would say this one. Freak. Never mind.
It's so even. Just gotta cut it right down the middle. Don't panic. Oh, wow, you're off to the left. You're off to the left.
I'm
You're
not.
off to the left. You're absolutely off to the left.
Hey, Dad, can you shut up?
Okay.
Thanks. Love ya.
Can I help you?
Do you mind? Thanks, twin.
Oh.
That is so even.
This one's a little heavier.
No, it's not.
Watch.
0.23.
0.23. If this is 0.23, you can.
This side is way bigger. That side is way bigger.
Boom. I think it's over. I think I get another dumpling. This is the lighter one. 0.185.
You need to get 0.23 or less to be.
Boom! Bring on that dumpling. Let's go. Good luck next time, little girl.
Hey, eat your apple. Okay, I guess I'll eat it.
This is it. Look at it.
You say that every time.
Look at it. No, but this one's gold. Look at it.
Can you open it?
Yes, here I come. Let's just not use that part. By the way, let's just celebrate my comeback. I was down like 4-2. It's now 4-4. It's tied going into the final one. But if this is gold, it's all over right now. I'm gonna let you open this because I'm so sure this is gold. I want to see your face when you open gold. No, it's my gold.
It's not gonna be gold.
It's gonna be gold.
Dad, gold is like 1 in like a million.
I know, but this is it. I feel lucky today. Go ahead, open it. Show them the gold.
Not gonna be gold.
Come on, gold.
3, 2, 1. Yes! It's pink.
Down to the
Do
final.
you still think it's gold?
No, it's not gold. The golden dumpling doesn't matter anymore because whoever wins this final challenge gets the present, gets the Matter Cup. Guess who that's gonna be?
Me! I'm gonna win!
No, it's gonna be this guy.
All right, shit.
Final challenge, it all comes down to this. There is a huge wind machine that will be spraying 100-mile wind and rain in my face. I have to get from this red line to that red line in 1 minute. And to make it even harder, with Salish throwing objects at me, trying to knock me over. If I make it in 1 minute, I win the mystery package, I win the Matter Cup, and it's Team Jordan all the way.
Dad, you're so gonna lose. This is gonna be so hard. 100-mile wind is insane.
This is literally like a hurricane. This is brutal on the eyes, so I get to wear goggles. By the way, have you noticed that every one of these challenges, I'm taking the hit again?
Start the hurricane!
Did I get it under a minute?
Yeah.
Yes! Let's go!
Are you serious?
I earned that mystery box. I earned that Matter Cup. Let's all say it together. 1, 2, 3. Team Jordan. Oh, you.
No.
We just finished the final challenge.
We did not just finish. You took genuinely like an hour to get showered. What, is this your 4th shower of the day?
Yes, because you know why? I wanted to look good, so when I open my mystery present, I just want to celebrate everybody. I got the Matter Cup, so let's say it together. Team Jordan. Here we go. You can clip this. Everybody wants to clip it. Ready?
Yay, you got the Matter Cup.
And now the moment we've all been waiting for. What's in the mystery box?
Come on.
I'm just gonna go straight through. Oh yeah, I'm just going straight through. Oh!
What? What is in it?
Dude. No way.
You got another dumpling.
Wait, why would it be the mystery box if not?
What?
Dude.
What?
Are you kidding? What? What? How? We've been here the whole time and it was right there in the box. A gold dumpling. Do not even touch my gold dumpling. Okay. Oh. Why am I so excited by this?
You got a gold dumpling. That's like a 1 in like 100 million.
She almost ripped it apart. Go away. Team Jordan with the gold dumpling for the win. Let's go, the gold dumpling. Come on, Team Jordan.
It's fake, but don't tell him that.
This is Santiago Charter School, and today my daughter Salish
will be principal of the school for a day at least.
Salish will try to create the perfect school.
No more homework.
But she will have to face all the challenges of being a principal. And knowing Salish, what could possibly go wrong? At the end of the day, the students will vote if Salish is a better principal than their actual principal.
And if I win, I get to shave my dad's head.
Please lose.
I'm not gonna lose. Hey students, this is your new principal, Salish. New rule, no more dress code. Bye.
Oh.
That goes for principals too.
No more dress code, baby!
You can go into your little office and watch everything I do because you're gonna be bald by the end of the day. Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna be watching everything on this monitor. I am crossing my fingers that she loses this vote because I do not want to be bald.
Hi everybody, I'm Salish, your new principal.
She looks like she's like 15. And they're like, who's this girl?
You guys are all tired because you guys had to wake up early, right? Yeah. And you were up late doing homework, right? Yeah. Well, you're not gonna be tired anymore because from now on, new rules, Starbucks in class.
She actually got a barista with an espresso machine.
Remember to vote for me at the end.
She's just trying to buy votes by bribing them with coffee.
My mom doesn't let me have Starbucks, so this is great.
Salish, Salish, Salish.
They're chanting her name.
I've got a list of super cool changes I'm gonna make to the school. This is gonna be so easy.
I'm done.
Dad, you're gonna be so bald.
Starbucks is open for free coffee.
She's making it free. She's gonna spend the entire school budget just on Starbucks.
Free Starbucks? That's my principal.
I'm kind of an artist.
Hi, are you the teacher for this class? Yes. I'm the new principal, and the students are just gonna get some coffee, and they'll be ready in like 10 minutes. Wait.
Classic Salish. She leaves right before the chaos starts.
Starbucks! 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 Starbucks!
Salish, school is about education. It's not about coffee.
Nice office. Okay. Just gotta make some changes really quick.
Excuse me, Principal Salish?
I don't think you should call me Principal Salish. That low-key sounds kind of weird.
Sure, how about Principal Say?
That was 5 years ago. Just call me Salish.
Got it. You have 2 candidates to interview today.
Oh, who?
Gym teachers.
Oh, that will be fun. Okay, yeah, got it.
Guys, I really don't think we need more caffeine.
This isn't gonna end well, right? I mean, the woman can't even teach the class.
Just place your orders, sit down, and then your orders will be brought to your seat. Okay, one at a time.
She looks like she's gonna lose it.
One at a time, please.
Santiago has great teachers, and she's one of them, but the decision Principal Salish just made is making it impossible for her to do her job.
Well, here at Santiago, we take athletics very serious. So are you guys ready?
You're supposed to say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Start running.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep going. Faster!
Look at how she's talking with authority as if she has any idea how to interview a gym coach.
Okay, everyone's drinks have been placed, and we can finally get on with our lesson. Chapter 8. The big house did prove a palace beautiful. Excuse me, but can you turn that off?
What did you say?
I can't teach
no,
while
I can't hear you with the blender on.
Can you turn that down?
Oh yeah,
No,
I'll be done soon. No worries, no
can
worries.
we stop it?
Parents out there, don't your kids think that they can basically do everything better than you? I know mine does, but guess what? She's gonna discover that something impulsive like this is actually gonna have negative consequences.
Negative consequences.
Amy was much offended that our overtures
All right, I got an order ready for Tome.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry, I just got to run this drink real quick. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Just to be clear, this has no caffeine, right?
Yeah. You're fine. You're fine. No worries.
Was that the last one?
Oh, I only have 8 more to go. Should be done in a jiffy. No worries.
I don't know how I'm going to continue doing our lesson with Miss Barista in the classroom.
They're getting coffee rather than getting an education. That's not the best move as a principal.
Next is push-ups.
She just thinks she can do anything. This is why you shouldn't be a principal, say. You don't need to test their strength. You need to test if they would be good leaders as gym coaches.
All of your drinks have now been served, and if you want any more, I'll be right here.
45 minutes in, everyone has their drinks. Let's start the lesson.
Now that all the students are super caffeinated, it's pretty much impossible for them to pay attention in class. And while this teacher is struggling because of Salish's Starbucks idea, the gym teachers are getting absolutely demolished by Salish.
First person to fall loses, and the winner gets the job. So what do you like about Santiago?
Spanglish?
Is Santiago the best school ever?
The best. It's better
Why
than-
do you want to work here?
Because all the kids are nice. They're great.
What does trivia have to do with a wall sit? What does Salish have to do with being a principal?
Are you guys getting tired?
No,
you
no,
look
no,
like
no,
you're
I'm the
tired.
champ.
You look like you're really tired.
I'm built for this.
We have a winner!
That was the worst job interview I've ever seen.
Congratulations, you won.
Great.
Oh, exciting, your first class starts right now.
Hold on, what?
Gym class!
Bye, guys. I love this job.
That was awful.
Students got over-caffeinated and learned absolutely nothing. Salish, you are so far a terrible principal, but they love you.
Thank goodness I didn't get that job. Worst principal ever.
Oh no.
Gym class!
Dad, you're gonna look so funny bald. Being a principal is so easy.
You sure about that? Being a principal means you gotta deal with unexpected situations, and this is the first one.
I have to deal with emotions now? Bruh.
Salish is never gonna change.
Today, the kids start going crazy because I find a Starbucks in my classroom. How can I teach them to be smarter, to be wiser, to be better people in the world when all they can think about is ordering a drink? You did this to me. How are you going to fix it?
The teacher's upset because she wasn't able to do her job.
I've got just the idea. No more Starbucks.
Wait, what? No! I'm gonna lose my job!
Oh, I have to deal with this now. You know, this is a school, right? Kids kind of gotta learn things. I'm sure you could get a job at Starbucks.
Are you firing me?
Unfortunately, yeah. Hold up, before I fire you, can you make me a pink drink?
No!
What? Ugh, I guess I can figure it out. How hard could it be? Actually, maybe not.
Salish, in 2 minutes, you made 2 employees cry. How are you gonna win the vote at the end of the day if everybody's crying? Oh, right, because the students are voting. Oh, the students still love you. Let's see how the students feel when they get back to class. There's no Starbucks. She might not be so popular after that.
What happened to y'all? Why y'all acting like that?
We had so much Starbucks and we have so much energy!
They are so hyped up on sugar and caffeine that I don't think they're gonna learn anything in this class either.
Teacher, what are we gonna do in gym class? Now run in place. Get the knees up. Get the knees up. Come on. Come on. I wanna see a smile on that face. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Come on. Get them arms out. Push ups. Get down. Smell that clean floor.
Can't do it!
Huh? You can. And you will. If you have an issue with my teaching, you have an issue with Principal Salish.
This isn't even fun. Starbucks in class was amazing, all right? This is not amazing at all.
I don't want her to be our principal anymore.
Students are suddenly not so satisfied with Salish. Yes!
Now on to the fun stuff. We go do some planks. Complainers. Come on, you wanna get your core right? Get right up in there. You can feel it. Yo, flex your toes. You know, I remember back in the Army, I used to do these. I used to sit there all day for a whole hour. Big dog, you know what I'm saying? Are y'all with me, right? Y'all with? What are you crazy kids doing? Principal Salish made me the gym teacher. You're supposed to be doing planks.
Principal Salish was right about Starbucks, but not right about you.
Don't vote for Salish.
Principal Salish messed up.
Yeah.
All right, that's enough. Give me that ball. Are you tired now? Huh? Looks like y'all ran out of caffeine, huh?
Guys, we can get more coffee in the classroom. Let's go. I don't know about everyone else, but I had a blast in gym class. Getting chased around by the gym teacher and chucking a dodgeball at him, like, that was awesome.
I think I did a good job. Principal Salish giving him coffee? That was a bad idea.
Oh my God! What? Where's the coffee? Where is it?
Wait, everybody, wait. Let me explain. Get in your seat.
Coffee, coffee, coffee.
Salish is about to find out the consequences of her actions. Principals have to deal with the good and the bad. They have to deal when students are happy with them and when they're not happy with them. Let's see how Salish handles this.
Okay. Let me explain. So I kind of had to fire the barista.
What?
They're not happy, Salish. They're not gonna vote for you. I'm keeping my hair, yes.
You guys only need caffeine because you're tired, right?
Yeah.
Because you were up late doing your homework, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, where's she going with this?
Well, guess what? New rule, no more homework.
What?
Dad, I got this one in the bag.
She's just going through the checklist of all the stuff kids would want from school. Coffee in school, no homework. Is this gonna work?
What is she thinking? This is about education.
Just wait until the end, Salish, because I got a big surprise for you, little girl.
Salish! Quiet! Clean up this mess. Let's go. Chop, chop.
A little tough love. That's what the principal should be doing, rather than just trying to buy votes.
Principal, your next interview is a potential transfer student. He needs a new place for school.
Here's another unexpected thing Salish is gonna have to deal with, a parent-student tour.
The school is very, very low on money. We need this family to sign up. We're in trouble otherwise.
I got you.
I don't think she got it at all.
Spending all the money on Starbucks. Maybe they already ran out of money.
Hello?
Oh, hey.
Let's move on with our lesson. We're gonna review
Wait. Just to be clear, does that mean we get no coffee?
No coffee.
What?
Coffee's done. Let's get back to math.
Welcome to Santiago. I'm Salish, I'm the principal. Our school, we just want to make all the kids happy. And I'm a kid, so I'm pretty good at it. There's a lot of good classes. The kids learn a lot of stuff and they go to college and whatever. We have Starbucks. Oh wait, no, we don't anymore. But it's a great school. Want to sign up?
That was actually her pitch.
First, we have a few questions.
Okay, I'm good at those.
Do you offer foreign language classes?
How long do teachers typically work here?
What is your dress code policy?
How do you help struggling students?
What are your rules about being late to school?
How often do students transfer out of school?
How did you become a principal?
What has been your hardest experience as principal of the school?
And why are you a child?
Excuse me? I'm 15.
I'm 14 now, and I know I've changed since the last time you've seen me. I'm not a little boy anymore. Grown man.
Let's go on a tour.
Cool, awesome. Ian, come on.
Say you had $1,000. You wanted to put it into a savings account, and the savings account yields 2.5% APR. How much money would you have after 7 years?
A lot.
Okay.
Students are getting tired. Caffeine is wearing off.
You're having a caffeine crash. We've lost another class because of coffee.
Oh, this is sad. All she wants to do is teach them, and Salish is just getting in the way of that. But it seems like she had the perfect idea to wake up her students.
Principal Salish forgot to mention one thing. If you're not doing any homework, that means you have to do twice as much work in class.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh, that got him. You know what that is? A consequence for your decision, Salish.
You're gonna stay a little later after school today, and we're gonna do all of the work that was missed.
Let's go! How are the kids gonna like that, Salish? I don't think they're gonna be very happy with you at all, and I don't think I'm going ball. They are so angry. No Starbucks and now extra time in school with more work.
If I come to the school, I'm gonna see you every day.
I don't know about that one.
Excuse me? What's in this classroom?
Art class.
Art? I can't even see anything.
Chomping on gum, oversized sweatshirt, and that's how she presents herself as a principal? There's no way they're gonna leave Ian in this school.
This is obviously the library.
You strongly encourage reading.
Yeah, I love reading. Go reading.
Which one is your favorite?
Salish hasn't read any of those books.
Who's your favorite author?
I love Fic Mar.
Okay.
Fic is for fiction. Mar is the initials of the author. Dude.
Yeah, they're my favorite. Anyways, are you guys ready for the finale? We get to go see a classroom with really great teachers. Let's go. Come on.
And right now, everybody's freaking out. That's not gonna be a good look.
This isn't fair. You're so mean! This is awful! I want to leave! So now I'm gonna show you just a really nice class. I love them all so much. Well, this class is just so excited to be learning. So
No.
They're really excited because they have like
Absolutely not.
How are you gonna fix this? You lost the money, you lost your budget, you lost the student, you failed this one, no way you're winning the vote.
No homework and Starbucks. I love this school. Please let me come. I'll be the perfect student. I'll show up every day. I'll get all A's, A pluses actually.
Do not say yes. I want her to run out of money. Please do not say yes.
I'll do all my homework on time the second I get it. Please.
You get 1 day.
One
And then we'll
day.
talk.
Yeah, where's my seat?
No! 1 day is all she gets. Please do not give her money.
All right, guys, out you go. This is an amazing school. It's such a nice school. Your little Ian will be fine. Don't worry, guys. I take education very seriously. What class is this again?
History.
History class? I don't really like that class. So, your new class is how to go viral on TikTok.
Huh? Wait, she just changed the class from history to TikTok?
Meet your new substitute teacher.
Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Hello. Get ready to go viral.
Salish hired Markel Washington, TikTok star, as a substitute teacher. That must be so expensive. How much is he charging her? She's running out of money fast.
Sweetheart, I have this. You can take that. Let's get you some coffee or something.
I quit.
Oh, that's fine. How are you guys doing?
The teacher just quit. This might make Salish temporarily popular, but long term, is it good for the school?
Are you guys ready to go viral? Yeah!
Are you guys happy? Yeah! Do you love TikTok? Yeah! Are you gonna vote for me?
Yeah!
No, you're not gonna vote for her.
Y'all better vote for her so we can shave her that head, right?
Yeah!
Let's see what this class is about.
For phase 1 of going for a viral video, you're going to work on your lighting.
Yes, lighting!
If you want to be a TikToker, listen to this lesson. Otherwise, this has nothing to do with school. Oh, what, everyone wants to be a TikToker?
You do not want to have shadows over your face.
No shadows!
It looks like Salish wants to teach the class.
Phase 1 is what?
Phase 1, lighting! Yes!
Phase 2.
Framing!
That is right! I had a friend. We're going to do on-screen text.
You have to be right in the middle.
Correct, that is true.
Yes.
Phase 2 is what?
Framing!
Salish looks like she's having a blast.
Here we go, I'm gonna show y'all the night. Hold it up, say.
It's
the
up.
Overhead light, no, it needs to be up. Can you see the desk or the?
No, you can't see it.
You only see my body.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You aren't giving me any movement.
What am I supposed to do?
You aren't doing a Harlem shake, but just make it look like I'm doing a little something. 1, 2, 3, that's 2. What are you doing? We're not flying around Saturn.
I'm moving the camera.
Right here. Thank you.
Whatever she's paying Markel is worth it because he's teaching a great TikTok class right now, but the problem is it's probably gonna bankrupt the school. You know what happens if you run out of all the money in the school budget? They might have to sell the school bus, the tables, the chairs, this desk. Who knows?
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. You know what? You're the principal. I'll just teach the rest of the class and you can just have a seat. Step 3 is authenticity. You have to feel the movements to make your video go viral. Actually believe in what you're doing.
Authenticity, got it. I'm gonna make a viral TikTok.
It's like a hitch and a kick. Alrighty? Y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Let's see how authentic you can be. Show me a move. I don't believe it.
Yes.
Work on it. Yes, that's what I mean! That one has a lot of personality. It's there. We want to be able to showcase how authentic we are through the movement so we can build what? community. So we can build what? Community! Get ready to get loose and get that movement going.
Looks like everybody's having a blast. TikTok class, this was a great idea. I'm afraid that this is gonna happen to me. And I don't want it to. They got the theory, now it's time to learn some moves.
5, 6, gotta be quick about it. 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, 5, 6. I love this. This group here, star quality.
1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, I get it. Oh no, I'm gonna lose, this is fun.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and...
There's no way that Salish in charge of the school for the whole year would work, but she might get through for another hour or 2 and win the vote. That's what concerns me.
We can't film our TikToks. We're not allowed to have our phones in class.
Actually, I have decided as your new principal to let you guys have your phones.
She's letting them have phones in class? I'm gonna be bald! No!
For the rest of the class, you can use your phones. And maybe study something a little, but whatever.
Way to go, principal.
Right before the vote, I have one prank I can throw, only one. She won't see it coming, but if it doesn't work, she's gonna win this vote, I'm sure of it. Now that they've learned the basics, it's time for the class to apply their knowledge on TikTok.
This isn't...
But it seems like not everybody is enjoying that new idea.
I know it's supposed to be TikToking, but I'm a DoorDash.
Guys, I mean, we should probably learn something, yeah?
This is what school is all about.
No, it's not what school's all about.
This is the worst idea for education. You can't learn anything if you got a phone in class.
Oh my goodness, these were my best dance moves ever. I'm gonna post this.
Yeah. Yes. It's true, there is a lot of negativity on TikTok. I mean, even I get it all the time. People say stuff and like, no, Sandy, don't show what they're actually saying. Don't show what they're saying. That's so awkward.
That's actually a great idea.
I have an announcement. I have this app. It's called CoverStar.
There's a lot of negativity in this room and we need to get rid of it.
So CoverStar is exactly like TikTok and it's all positive.
All positive, so that negativity is going out of the window.
I just joined CoverStar and if you guys join too, you can follow me at Salish.
I love that Salish is talking about CoverStar because truthfully, as a parent, if she's gonna be on her phone and scrolling apps, I would much prefer that she's scrolling CoverStar because when you read the comments, it's kind of like being at your own birthday party. I mean, everybody is super supportive and positive.
We did happen to see some negativity in the classroom and we need to get rid of that negativity because negativity is not the bestivity. Positivity is key. Only on CoverStar. Thank you.
CoverStar is exactly like TikTok and it has the same
like
dances, sounds, and trends. And the best part about it is there's no hate.
Principal Salish came through. She was there for me in the hard times.
Everybody, it's lunch and I've got a special surprise for you. Thank you.
Salish might be the most popular principal in the United States right now. And in an hour, there's a vote, and I'll go bald if she wins.
Don't worry about packing up. You're going to detention. There are no bullies in my school.
No bullies in my school like that. If CoverStar was a principal, it would be Salish.
I think I'm winning people over. They've loved what I've done so far. I got them Starbucks, no more dress code. I showed them like a really good app. I've literally done everything. And their lunch this time is gonna be amazing. Dad, I'm sorry, because you're probably gonna have to shave your head and you're gonna look really funny.
Baggy sweatshirt, tank top, chomping gum. That's your principal, and she's gonna maybe win.
I will not use TikTok, only CoverStar. I am not voting her for principal.
I know that the lunch is good at Santiago, but don't you guys want catering? Yes! From now on, for lunch, we have catering.
What? Catering in school? How could she even afford this?
There's so much utensils. Everybody ready for some mood lighting?
For your first course, this is a tomato bisque from Paris, prepared by a 5-star chef.
This is like 5-star dining at school for lunch.
And for those of you missing your Starbucks, I have fresh coffee imported from Colombia.
She's just buying their votes.
I've never seen our students happier. Salish is absolutely going to win, and Jordan's gonna be bald by tonight.
Can she be principal for the whole year?
No, she can't be principal for the whole year because she couldn't afford it. She can just do this for one day. She's gonna lose the entire budget.
It's so good.
Ooh, don't mind if I do.
Do you see how happy they are, Dad?
Oh my gosh.
What?
Sorry, everybody, but we seem to have a problem.
Wait, what?
Principal Salish has spent the entire school budget today.
What?
And as a result, the school has no more money to rent all these tables. I'm from School Rental Inc., and all of this stuff is ours, and I'm taking it back.
What's School Rental Inc? School Rental Inc? She spent all the money already? They're gonna take away everything? What?
Whoa, wait, I can fix this.
Too late.
What?
My shirt, my pants, my shoes. My parents are gonna be so mad.
I'm gonna take every chair and table out of the school!
Oh my God, this is getting away from her.
Principal Salish is making the school kind of crazy.
She's completely losing control. They don't trust her anymore. Now is the time for me to do my prank. Right now.
Don't worry, everybody. I will figure this out. I just have to. What do I do? Anyone know what to do?
You've lost control of this school.
Yeah! What did I do? I don't know what to do.
She's not cut out for this, and just between us, I think she caused the fire.
She's not gonna be able to handle this. We set the fire alarm to only ring inside the school. These are not real firefighters, they're actors, and Principal Ashley is totally in on everything.
Where's the fire? I need to know what's going on.
I don't know.
People might get hurt. Come on, I need some answers.
Maybe someone pulled the alarm. I don't know.
Pull the alarm. People can get in trouble for that, and this school can be fined and go out of business. I need some answers.
What kind of principal is this? I can't even trust her.
This is working.
Stop! Guys, I'm gonna figure this out.
Salish is panicking.
Do you know how much money the school will lose if this is a false alarm? You're gonna be out of business.
If you pull a fire alarm and there's no fire, there's a huge fine.
This school is finished.
Hold on. Andre, thank you so much for the apple pie. Please tell your wife that was really thoughtful. Mario?
Yes.
How's your daughter doing?
Good.
Great. I'm so sorry about this. I will definitely handle this and take care of whatever our issue is here. I think somebody just pulled the alarm.
Ashley, you know what? Because you're a real principal, we're gonna let this one slide.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you, Andre. Thank you, Mario.
And you might want to think about not hiring children next time.
I'm 15.
Thanks, guys.
Salish isn't looking happy. I think my prank worked because the students are loving Ashley, but I don't know for sure. Time for the vote. Please don't let me get my head shaved. Now is the moment of truth. My bald head is in the students' hands. Now, before we vote, does anybody have anything to say? Yes.
Honestly, even with all the craziness that went down, this was the best day of school I've ever had.
Yeah.
I'm Team Salish all the way. I'm TikTok famous because of Salish.
Guys, wait a second. Today was fun. I mean, with all due respect to Salish, what did we learn? What did we get done? Seriously, we got teachers that come in here every day and give their all to make sure we grow. And we didn't show them any respect today. Yeah, it was fun, but look, maybe some of the things school teaches us is about doing things that we don't necessarily want to do in order to grow. I don't feel good about today. It was fun, but school's about growing.
Yes, okay. Let's give it up for EJ. Okay, now it's time for a vote. First, applaud as loud as you want for Salish. Sounds like they really liked you. Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
Yeah.
And now let me hear an applause for Ashley.
support. And tomorrow we're gonna do this challenge again with Principal Audrey.
This is my daughter Salish. Last month, she took the test to get her driver's permit.
I haven't really studied at all.
And somehow,
I passed.
so I made a crazy suggestion. You want to drive home?
I don't have to drive.
Let's do it. But I quickly realized that was a terrible idea.
This one's the brake, right?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God, you've never done this before.
I'm scared.
Just hit this light.
You want me to go through this one?
No, it's a red light. You don't go through it. I'm getting scared. The next day I left for China with my son, so I asked 4 of my friends to teach her instead.
Did I hit something?
Oh my gosh! Salish!
She cut someone off back there. She's missing stop signs. I am scared.
At the end of the day, she will take a driver's test with the world's hardest instructor.
I'm gonna deduct points from you and you're not gonna pass your test.
And if she passes, she can get her driver's license. But it won't be easy.
This is going to tell you a court date. You're going to have a 6 to 12 month suspension.
What?
I will be calling the impound.
What?
I'm scared. He's gonna be mad at me when he comes home.
Starting with
Salish! Oh my gosh. Are you excited or what?
I can't
Oh my God, no. Okay, slow it down. I haven't even put my seatbelt on, Salish.
Oh yeah.
You don't.
I wanted to teach Salish how to drive myself, but no worries. I'm going to be watching everything from my computer in my hotel room.
That was way too fast. Are you kidding me?
But that's your fault for not being prepared.
What?
All right, let's see how this goes. I want Salish to be prepared for any driving situation, so all the challenges will be based on real-life driving experience. And before I left, I told every creator exactly what to do to help her prepare for her big test later today with the toughest driving instructor in LA.
Please do not try to hit this car. I just found out it's $800,000.
Oh my gosh, Salish!
Let's go laugh. There's some cute boys over here.
Ooh! So this challenge is all about you being a safe driver and following all the rules. So anytime you break a rule, I'm gonna press this buzzer. If I press this buzzer too many times and you break too many rules, then there's a consequence.
Oh, well, what's the consequence?
It's just a little embarrassing.
Pearson asked if she could come up with a consequence, and I said, sure. I have no idea what it is.
I mean, it might just have something to do with someone who you maybe have a crush on.
What?
So yeah, follow the rules. I'm gonna need you to just slow it down just a little
I'm
bit.
slowing down.
Careful, there's a FedEx guy.
I see.
Perfect. You gotta go slower when there's people around. Salish!
Pearson is exactly how I was when I first drove with Salish.
You're a new driver. Hey, what was that?
Don't take your hand off the wheel, Salish.
I need both hands on the wheel at all times!
Don't take your hand off the wheel.
Okay, speaking of which, oh my! You need to make sure that you have your permit on you at all times. Where is the permit?
It's in there.
Both hands on the wheel at all times!
She fell for the first one. You're never supposed to take your hands off the wheel. Pearson just to ask Salish where her permit was, simply to get Salish to take her hand off the wheel because she would lose a point in her driving test if she does that.
This is gonna be a cul-de-sac?
It's a cul-de-sac.
Cul-de-sac is when the road doesn't have anywhere else.
What is this guy doing? Get out of the road.
So, okay, careful. Sorry, sir. Hello. That's a nice young man, okay?
I made sure to drive with Salish enough, and Lauren has been driving with her, so Salish does know how to drive just enough to be able to do these things, because we wouldn't want to put anybody, including her and our friends, in danger. But that doesn't mean she'll be ready to face the world's hardest driving instructor.
Why are we even testing you right now? You're so far from ready.
Oh, we're not doing donuts, Salish. We're not gonna do donuts.
Why
Okay,
donuts?
there's a car
so
there. There's a
much
car
fun.
there. There's a car there. Oh, Salish. Sorry, new driver here. Sorry. Careful, careful. We're reversing. We're reversing. Slowly. God, is it getting hot in here or is it just me?
Side note, Pearson's one of my favorite people on YouTube.
Let's make a right here, okay? We're gonna take you to a nice little residential area where it's nice and slow, not much of traffic. No freeway.
Salish knows I set up challenges and that I talk to the creators, but what she doesn't know is that I'm watching her this whole time.
Oh God, Salish!
Oh, geez, Say.
We almost hit the car! We gotta go slower than that!
Salish is seeming pretty calm. I'm gonna bring a car in to be a really aggressive driver and just mess with her to make sure that she stays calm.
God, okay, so they're, oh my God, Salish!
I need to get ahead of them.
You have to practice defensive driving when other people are crazy. We don't be crazy back, okay? We're just gonna be nice and calm. Oh, and they're pressing on their brakes. Oh! Salish!
These two guys are about to confront Salish and see if she confronts them back.
Oh no. Oh gosh, there's a car behind us.
Get out of my way!
Defensive driving.
Oh, see, that's exactly what I didn't want her to do.
Just calm and zen. Remember what I said. Okay. It looks like he's boxing you in now. Oh, what are you doing? What? No, Salish, stay in the car! Salish, no! What are you doing? Salish!
This is exactly what you don't do.
I'm learning a so much, and this is so fun. Thank you, Pearson.
No, this is not learning. You're like kind of going against everything I've ever told you.
Salish kind of lost her cool just then, but she also knows Jake, so maybe she's just playing around. But wait until she meets the driving instructor. That person does not have a sense of humor.
You did turn off your cell phone, right? So no one's gonna be calling you or Snapchatting you?
I don't even have my phone.
Okay, good.
I think I should get like a point back for that, you know, like I'm that kind of responsible.
Before you even put your foot on the gas, you need to make sure that you're checking all of your mirrors and make sure that. Wait, what?
Well, now I can see everything.
You're just now changing the mirrors? Okay, well that's too late. That was one buzzer. You have failed this challenge, Salish. That means you're getting this consequence.
Oh my God.
What is this consequence?
You were on Pucker Up and you said that you had a crush on JJ from Outer Banks.
Oh my
You said
God,
that he was a cutie.
He's really fine. I was, bro.
You said he was a cutie and I just so happen to know him, so I am unfortunately going to introduce you.
Nope.
You know, some may say thank you. Oh wait,
Bye.
no. What are you gonna do? This is your car, Salish.
Get in your car, dude.
I'm in the car.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing.
What do you mean? Get in your car.
Here's who was going to introduce Salish to JJ from Outer Banks, and she got so shy. That's really funny.
Wait, why would you not want to talk to him?
Because that's so embarrassing.
You're running away and jumping into the car is embarrassing.
I saw my life flash before my eyes today. She still has a ton of different challenges today. I don't know if she's gonna pass this test later, but I guess we'll see. Salish, come on! Maybe he'll like you too!
I'm low-key kind of nervous. I think I'm amazing at driving forward. I'm really bad at parking. Like, it's impossible. I don't know why.
Hey, Salish.
Hey, so what's the next challenge?
Well, your next challenge is to parallel park legally. But the twist here is I'm starving, so you have to kind of do this in the next 10 minutes. I am starting my timer right now. If it takes you longer than 10 minutes, there's a consequence.
Okay, let's go.
I set up a bunch of obstacles for this challenge, but it's up to Lexi to decide if Salish passes.
What is this car doing? Go!
Rule number 1 about driving, okay? Do not get road rage. I know you only have 10 minutes, but please just get me there safely.
I want to make sure of 2 things with this challenge. 1, that Salish can keep her cool, and 2, that she can parallel park legally in 10 minutes. Lexi decides she fails, she gets a consequence, and I really personally like this consequence, so I'm kind of hoping she fails. Safely.
So what do you rate my driving so far?
Normally I don't get car sick, but for some reason...
I'm not even going fast.
Salish.
What?
He did not have a stop sign. He just cut off that person's...
It's fine, I turned on my blinker.
She cut off a car? This is gonna be a long day.
So how do I find a place? Oh, is this a place?
That's not a parking spot though.
Okay, turn the other way, yeah. In. Go the butt this way, and now it starts straightening out.
Well, I got you.
Watch out for the car behind you, okay? You're getting a little close.
I'm not close.
Okay, stop. Ah! Straighten it out.
I
Go
am.
forward a teeny bit.
Did I do it?
We're halfway in the red. This is a red zone.
All right, just let me check. All right, yeah, you're right. I guess I just gotta find somewhere else.
So far, she's running out of time. She didn't parallel park correctly, but now she's about to run into some challenges that are gonna test her patience.
Okay, Salish, your time is almost up. Try parking right here, okay? I'm starving.
Lexi, are you joking? These are such expensive cars, bro.
You're gonna have to give it a try.
Parallel parking is hard because you're driving backwards and turning, and you don't want to hit the curb or the car next to you. It's one of the hardest things to do when you're first learning how to drive.
Please do not try to hit this car. I just found out it's $800,000.
Wait, if she crashes in the car, am I paying for that? Look, Salish, look,
Well, I'm
Salish.
I'm trying, Lexi, you don't understand.
Try to go back one more time.
I got you, Lexi. We're chilling.
Okay.
Actually, I'm kind of scared. Lexi.
Okay, stop!
No! Just cut, Salish, cut.
I think I'm okay.
So we're just gonna leave the car here?
Yeah. Oh.
We're in the middle of the street, Salish.
This is exactly how I thought it would be with Salish driving. I want Salish to be super safe as a driver. So I've based all these challenges on real life situations so that I know when she gets her license, she'll actually be able to handle it in the real world.
Okay, Salish, turn left up here.
What way is left? Okay.
Oh my, are you serious?
I got you.
Salish is about to be in a situation where she might lose her cool.
The next space you see.
I found a spot.
This is perfect. Pull up to this car.
Big open spot. This should be easy. That's what Salish is thinking right now, right?
Okay, reverse to the right.
I'm gonna hit that one.
The other way. Do you have to do this again? It's right. Okay. Okay, keep going.
Wait.
What is this lady doing?
What's this lady doing?
This woman is an actress we hired, and her job is drive Salish crazy.
Hey, excuse me, we're trying to park here.
Sorry, you can't park here. My friend is coming around the block.
Well, if she's not here, well, we're here.
She's gonna be back here in 30 seconds. We've been waiting for this spot for like 10 minutes.
Go deal with it. Just stand your ground.
I kind of need to park here.
I'm sorry, I'm saving the spot for my friend.
Yeah, but I'm saving the spot for me.
I'm waiting for my Jersey Mike sandwich. I'm starving.
You sound hangry. Just stay out of this.
I'll back into you. It's fine. We're good, Lexi. I'm back into her.
Oh, really? You're gonna back into her?
Back into me. See what happens.
Okay.
I can see Salish impulsively driving backwards right now.
She's sitting on the ground.
See what happens.
Maybe Lexi will just find another.
Let's just move on.
All right,
No big
thanks.
deal.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Okay, just drive. Just drive.
That was great, but Salish needs to hurry. She only has 5 minutes left.
I'll just park right here.
Okay.
Go right here.
Yes, this is great.
The next thing we set up drives me crazy every time it happens, and it'll drive her crazy too. Remember, we're checking to see if Salish can keep her cool.
And 3, 2.
Wait. For
Oh
real?
my gosh, this is
Someone
ridiculous.
just literally swooped in and took the
All right, it's
spot.
fine. We're fine. I can
Okay, be
go
careful.
somewhere else. My goodness, that's stupid.
She just left? Wow, okay. I thought there was gonna be a confrontation.
Go! Go!
Be patient, okay?
No, go!
So we've had no
Can I
luck.
U-turn here? Well, I guess I am.
Okay, illegal U-turn, no problem. Here we go.
Totally cool.
She's illegally U-turning? What? Keep watching because Salish is in for a big surprise when she doesn't follow the rules.
I see a bunch of open spots up here.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, let's give these a try.
Hi, honey. I've been watching Salish do all these driving challenges. It's just making me realize that she's grown up so fast. She used to be so little, and you know, like we carry her around, and now she's like behind the wheel.
Can't talk about it right now because it'll make me want to cry.
I know, me too.
Right here, Salish.
Right here.
This is perfect.
Okay, 3, 2.
Don't get too close to the Yeah. Don't get too close to the curb. That's what I was about to say.
Let me just check really quick. Let me check.
We definitely hit the curb.
Oh, guys.
Wait, she just scratched my car up.
Guys, my dad's actually gonna kill me.
Salish!
Yeah.
Time is ticking.
Oh, yeah.
And there's clearly a tollway sign right there.
Yeah.
We can't park here.
Yeah.
Did something happen to the car?
No, nothing happened.
Really, I could have sworn we hit the curb.
She just scratched my car and she's acting like it's nothing. But you know what? I'll bet you anything she's doing that because she doesn't want Lexi to know she did it. I know she probably feels pretty bad about scratching up my car.
Oh, right here? Is this the spot? Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
At the end of the day, we'll find out how well Salish handles pressure because this driving instructor is super intense.
Perfect. So be careful because this guy's getting out. You're good here. Reverse.
This is Salish's last opportunity to learn how to parallel park before the test, so if she can't do it now, she definitely won't be able to do it later when there's way more stress.
Wait, why am I good at parallel parking?
A little more. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Go right.
Okay.
Okay, you're good. You're good. You're good.
I did it.
Okay, and with 30 seconds left to spare.
Maybe she could pass the test.
We did it.
Let's go eat. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
You're pretty good.
Thanks.
Yeah, you only hit like one car.
Guess what Salish just did when she went around the corner? She texted me and told me she was driving my car and she scratched it. She took ownership of her, which is awesome because she has no idea I'm watching her right now.
Oh no.
What?
There's a ticket on your car.
Wait, what?
Salish, you got a parking ticket. Remember at the beginning of the challenge when I said you had to parallel park legally?
Yeah.
Yeah, that means you're getting a consequence. Come
Oh
on.
my gosh.
Salish did a good job of parallel parking, so she might be able to pass that with the driving instructor later today, but she forgot to put money in the meter. She got a ticket, and so therefore she did not park legally, and she loses this challenge.
Salish, your consequence is to tell the camera how much you love your dad.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
Okay, guys, I love my dad so much. He's so amazing, and I never get annoyed by him. He's just the best dad ever.
Aw, she totally means it. The whole reason I had Salish do that consequence is so you guys can make an edit of it with super sweet music and clips of us together and put it on TikTok. You know, something like that.
Okay, guys, I love my dad so much. He's so amazing, and I never get annoyed by him. He's just the best dad ever. All right, that was it?
Uh-huh. Hey, I hope you pass, okay?
All right,
Good luck.
thanks. Bye, Lexi.
Bye.
I think that went really well, but I might have to do a slightly better job parallel parking when I'm doing my driving test.
Salish absolutely crushed that challenge, but what's next will be her toughest one yet.
Okay, guys, I'm so ready for this next challenge. I feel like it's gonna be kind of easy. Hi.
Hey! Your next challenge is that you have to drive in reverse. So just follow the cones. If you fail 3 times, then you have to do a consequence.
I'm so bad at reverse.
You've driven reverse before though, right?
Yeah, I'm doing it, right?
Salish, you're looking at the backup camera. Wait, that's cheating.
Why is that?
Because not all cars have backup cameras. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover the backup camera so you can't see it.
The driving instructor will not let her use that backup camera. She's gonna have to be able to do it with the mirrors.
Just like that.
No, now I can't see anything.
Exactly, that's the point. Okay, you know what? I don't know. Oh my gosh! I don't know if that's the right thing to do.
She's sticking her head out of the car?
Okay, you know what? You got a strategy here. I believe in you, Salish. Okay, you know what? This is a little too easy. It's gonna be harder on the test, so 1 sec.
It's gonna be harder than this?
Yes. Oh my gosh! Stop the car!
Brenna's gonna make this increasingly more difficult, and if Salish makes 3 strikes, she's gonna get a consequence, and it's a funny one.
We gotta make it a little bit harder for her, so we got these big cardboard cutouts that we're gonna put on the course so that she has to dodge them.
I need to pass this test because then I can drive and I can just be free and go wherever I want.
That's right, she wants to be free and go wherever she wants. Why am I in a hurry for her to get a license?
You put a picture of my dad. Am I really gonna have to do this on the test? I don't think so.
Now that that is all set up, go back to the beginning because we're gonna have to redo the course.
Why?
Because these are now the pedestrians that you have to dodge.
Oh my gosh, why couldn't you just have set them up earlier?
Okay, wait, be careful, be careful. Watch out for me, watch out for me. Okay.
No, I wanna hit you.
No, do not hit me. All right, okay. Oh my gosh!
She hits the brakes hard.
Now there's 3 obstacles you'll have to dodge.
Oh shoot.
Wait, did you just hit a cone?
No, I didn't.
She's over a cone. That is strike 1.
What?
1 mistake, 2 more, and she gets a consequence.
Okay, you're doing good. You actually dodged me completely.
I think I should drive forward and try and hit you.
No, I don't think you do that.
This is a harder challenge than the driving in reverse on the test, so if she's able to do this, she'll probably be in pretty good shape tonight.
Brent, can I have help on your side?
No, because I'm not helping you because the driving instructor isn't gonna help you.
Oh my gosh. Wait, my dad is right there?
Yeah, be careful. He's literally right there on the right side.
Now we're gonna make it even more difficult and add a time limit.
Okay, well, I have a timer set now. If it hits 3 minutes, you're done.
Okay, you're stressing me out.
Okay, repositioning, I like this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
Should I hit something?
No, but the car, I think
the car just stopped.
Thought you were gonna hit your dad. If that happens on your test, you would fail, so that's 1 more strike. You have 2 strikes now.
Oh my gosh, I was gonna break anyway.
No, you weren't.
Salish is only halfway through the course, so she needs to focus to pass this challenge.
Really? Okay, whoa, you're gonna hit the curb. You're gonna hit the curb. I think you might have hit another cone. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. That was strike 3, which means it's time for your consequence.
No!
I'll be right back, I'm gonna go grab it.
What is it?
If Salish thinks this is hard, what happens during her driving test will push her like never before.
Deductions, you get 1 more, you fail.
No, Brent, don't do this to me.
Your consequence is you're gonna have to drive with these cups of water on your lap.
No!
Okay? We're just gonna put it right here, okay?
This is a test in focusing. If she can have Brent screaming at her, water spilling on her, avoiding the cone, she's gonna do great tonight.
I'll just get my point of view, just in case anything happens. I need to show my lawyer.
Uh-oh, wait, I'm about to hit a cone.
Yep, that's more than 1 cone. Salish, you know the challenge isn't like how many cones can we hit at once, right? Also, 2 hands on the wheel, you cannot be holding the waters.
No.
Okay, now go.
No.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god, we're running over your dad! We just ran over your dad. Ah!
Guys, it's actually spilling on me.
You don't want it to spill on you, then you have to drive smoothly. I love how you like look at the backup camera just to see that there is no backup camera. Oh my god! Oh!
Brent, I actually can't focus when this is on my lap.
That's the point. You know what? You failed so miserably, Salish. You ran over all the cones. There are no more cones. Oh my gosh, she just got destroyed.
Oh, that's not good for my car.
Should we bring her with us so that she's safe from your driving?
Oh, sure. Wait, no, I can't see anything in the backup mirror.
So now Salish has to use the side mirrors only.
Okay, well, there could be obstructions, you know, so you do have to deal with it.
I'm not even on the cones anymore.
Oh my gosh, wait, whoa, we're gonna run into the wall. Okay, 55 seconds left. You gotta finish the whole course before the timer runs out. What is going on? We're like going through the course.
Exactly.
35 seconds.
Okay, I'm going.
She's gonna hit something.
First of all, you're going forward, not backwards.
Oh, just don't. What are you doing, Salish?
Don't run over me, though. No, Salish! Ah! No! Oh, you ran over me.
Well, did I pass?
Okay, well, you did make it in time, but you definitely did not pass. You ran over everyone. I tried to help you, but good luck on your test.
Wait, no, Brian! Bye!
Bye! Never again.
That whole thing fell apart, so Salish is not at all prepared if she has to do any reverse driving today on her test.
Guys, I think that went well. I did it. This is the final challenge, and I really hope that I do well because after this is the final test with the driving instructor.
And it's gonna be one of the hardest driving tests ever given.
Wait, you almost just crashed.
Oh,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. It's so good to see you.
Thank you so much for coming.
I saved the best for last. If you guys don't know who Abby Lee Miller is from Dance Moms, take a look.
I'm calling it like I see it. I'm not sticking around for their. I could care less what they think or what they say. I'm Abby Lee Miller.
Salish, this is your final challenge.
Okay.
You are driving through a neighborhood.
Oh, that's easy.
I am looking for perfection.
Everybody knows that Abby Lee Miller is the world's hardest coach.
You're just not good enough. You want a professional response? That's it.
So if Salish can get through this, she might have a chance with the driving instructor.
If you're not perfect driving through a little neighborhood, you're not going to pass the test. I mean, how do you think you're going to pass a driving test? They're tough.
Wait. Stop. Let this person out. Stop. You have to stop. Stop, honey. Stop.
Okay. My goodness.
Whoa! Salish just lost her cool and honked at that car.
Okay, slow.
So how am I doing so far? I feel like I'm a pretty decent driver.
Salish, we haven't done anything but go drive straight, for God's sakes.
Oh, she just honked at that car, and now the cop seems to not be happy.
How do I do that?
Oh, she's getting pulled over.
Okay, I think this is set up, Abby, by my dad.
I don't think so.
Okay, this wasn't part of the plan.
Uh-oh.
I know.
What do I do? Okay.
Okay, put it in park.
Okay.
Turn off the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle to the Tesla right now.
Take your hands off and let's wind your window down. Do not get out. When a police officer comes up, you need to be like this. Yes, sir. No, sir. And don't talk in between.
Yeah, we got a 128315 approaching the vehicle right now.
Listen to me. The less you say, the better.
Okay.
Let him do the talking.
Oh, I should get my permit.
Shoot, I don't have my purse.
Oh my God.
I don't have my license. You're not driving like a licensed driver.
You're over 25, right?
How you guys doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Not so well. You guys almost hit that white car that was back there right now in the residential area.
Oh, I'm sorry.
License and registration? And why are you smiling so much?
I'm sorry.
Salish, this is not a prank, dude. I didn't set this up.
Is this your stuff?
Yeah.
This is a permit. That's not even license and registration. You have your ID? No,
Me?
I'm talking to you, because you're the driver.
No.
Okay, so you're underage. How old are you?
I'm 15.
When did you get your permit?
Like 2 weeks ago.
You don't have an ID at all, because you know for a permit you need to have an ID. It should be a school ID or a California ID.
I'm so sorry, I didn't know.
So then who's registered to the car?
My dad.
Your father?
Yes.
So where's your father at?
He's in China.
Are you her guardian, her parent?
I'm teaching her to drive right now.
Okay, I'm gonna come on the inside so I can talk to you.
He's not to prison. What? I'm not going back to
No,
prison.
you're not. It's just a setup. It's by my dad.
No,
You guys roll down the window, please.
We're just in the neighborhood driving.
Both of you guys have no identifications whatsoever?
No.
You have nothing in your purse to show me. Because you said this is your dad's car.
Yeah.
This is not a setup.
Yes, it is.
It's not a setup, let me say. She thinks I set this up. I didn't set anything up.
My heart is racing like this because I don't.
All right, do me a favor. Stay in the car. I'm going to have to run the plates because, first of all, they're not even up to date. She doesn't have any identification. She's driving.
Oh my God, this is a disaster. All right, I'm calling Abby. Abby, pick up the phone.
Your dad's plates is also expired. So besides the expired plates on the Tesla, you almost hit a car right now coming out of a driveway.
I'm sorry.
And then you honked at them.
Because they backed into me.
It's a residential area. They have the right of way.
Oh my God.
Are you insured onto this car as well?
No.
Okay, so it's just you. You're not even insured to this car because you're 15.
My kid's about to get a ticket before she even gets her license.
He's gonna be mad at me when he comes home.
Yeah.
I gotta call Salish right now. I'm trying to call her, she's not answering.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Do you have any warrants out right now? Because I've seen your priors that you have.
No.
Any tickets unpaid tickets or anything? So this is what I'm gonna do. Because she's a minor, you're gonna have to get the ticket. I'm gonna have to call No, but I'm also gonna have to call the impound because she's not registered to the car at all. You're not registered to the car when I ran the plates, and the plates are expired. They're not even up to date yet.
They're gonna impound my car?
She has a permit.
I understand
so
that.
That's a 12814-6 in California. So meaning, if you don't even have identification to drive with her, you're technically not even allowed to show her how to drive. When I get the impound, you're gonna have to call your father. You'll let him know if he's in China, if he has someone, a wife that can come and pick up the car.
Okay.
Cool. I'll be right back.
What? No!
Okay, Abby, what if I just drive away right now?
Dude, answer your phone, say.
How much is this though?
I can pay you back. I'm really sorry.
No, it's not. It's not the money. It's the points. I keep telling you when you get a traffic ticket.
Wow, do you have a lot of points?
Salish!
Abby's getting points and they have to pay for a ticket. Salish is gonna get the car impounded because she honked at the car, and she's giving the cop lip and laughing at him. Oh my God, it's not funny.
We were supposed to practice about you being perfect. I want you to be on top of the pyramid. And right now, you're not even on the pyramid. You're not even last. You're not even at the bottom. You're like down. You're off the pyramid.
Like I would be kicked out?
Yes.
All right, Miss Matter. So, at the end of the day, as you know, like I told you, you're 15 years old, expired Tesla. And also, there's one more thing that Miss Abigail wants to tell you.
What?
I know him. He's an actor, and it's a prank.
What? I knew it! I told you!
What? What?
We got her.
No,
What? Wait.
Yeah, so this is Frank.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you.
Have a good rest of the day.
What the heck?
But at least you got the fear of a police officer walking up to the car.
She got me so bad.
So does that mean I passed the challenge?
Yes, you passed the challenge, sweetie. You are ready to take the final test.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, well, that was fun. And now it's time to meet the driving instructor. This is huge because if Salish passes the test today, she'll be qualified to get her driver's license without any more training.
All right, Salish, so are you ready for your final test?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
No, we're taking that car.
Wait, what?
She's only ever in her life driven my car, the Tesla. She has to drive an entirely new car that she's never driven. Number one, it doesn't have a backup camera.
Put your foot on the brake. I don't think it's gonna start unless you push the brake. You gotta put it in drive, otherwise the car's not gonna move. That's the windshield wiper.
This car is just like a little different.
Let's go, let's pull out here to the right. Go, move, thank you. All right, change lanes to the left, please, do it safely. Okay, car's braking up ahead. Why are we even testing you right now? You're so far from ready. Let's go left here, please. You gotta scan, you're not doing enough scanning. This is terrible.
I'm a little nervous, like honestly a little nervous.
Okay, let's pull to the curb. I'm gonna have you do the backing up in a straight line. And stop. You're just such a jumpy driver.
Okay, I can't watch, this is...
All right, so now I'm gonna test you on parallel parking. Are you ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, she learned this.
You got 3 tries to do this.
Okay.
If you don't do it in the 3 tries, you're gonna fail your test.
Okay.
Parallel park right in between those 2 cars. Let's go. Other way. All right, you bump the curb. Turn it to the right.
Wait, she did that really well.
Okay, so I did it, right?
No, you need to straighten out the wheel at the very end. You bump the curb, I mean, you're not reversing enough.
Okay.
So if the last part of the test wasn't parallel parking, what is it?
It's driving on the freeway. You've practiced that, right?
Wait,
Salish has never driven on the highway. This is super hard. I didn't know it was gonna be part of the test.
So actually the highway.
The freeway. Come on, build up your speed. Start checking those mirrors.
Oh no.
Is it clear to merge?
Okay. I'm on the freeway.
She's never done this before.
Slow it down. You're following too close. You see their brake lights. What do you do?
Take my foot off the gas.
Good.
I think she's doing pretty well though.
What are you writing down?
Keep your eyes on the road.
Man, this is crazy.
This exit better be good.
Wait, I'm exiting?
You gotta get off the freeway somehow. When we get there, you're gonna take the exit.
She's actually doing kind of great. Look at her go. I have no idea if she passed.
So how do you feel you did?
I mean, I think I did pretty well on the freeway. I mean, I had a couple mistakes, but I don't know. I think I did pretty well.
Well, here's your permit.
Does that mean I failed or?
By the way, the driving instructor, George, is actually a super nice guy and a great instructor, but today he's playing the hardest instructor in the world. Salish has never met him, so she doesn't realize he's actually nice.
Telling you up your points here.
Okay.
You passed.
I passed?
What? She passed?
You passed.
Really?
Really.
Whoa! Wow! Oh my God, I didn't see that coming.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna call my dad. Dad, I passed.
Congratulations, little girl. Guess what?
What?
I know you passed because I've been watching you this entire time.
Wait, you've been watching me?
Yeah, I've been watching you. You did great, except for the time when you ran me over. Otherwise, you did great.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you were watching me. I knew you set up the challenges, but I didn't know you watched me.
I did. I watched you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dad.
Okay, love you. Congratulations.
Okay, bye.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
My dad was actually watching me?
All right. Congratulations, here's your gold certificate.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my license.
Now you just gotta wait 5 months before you can get it, all right? Good luck.
What?
Wait, 5 months? George, what do you mean by 5 months? George?
Hello?
Hey, guess what? Salish passed her driving test. Can you believe it?
No way.
Yeah, but she can't get her license for like 5 months for some reason.
Well, yeah, that's the California law. Like you have to drive with a permit for 6 months before you get your license.
Oh.
5 months?
Today, my daughter Salish skipped school.
My dad just dropped me off at school. I'm not going to school today. My Uber's here.
What is she doing? Did she just get into that car? What? But she has no idea that I'll be watching her the entire day. I'm hiding from her, but those are flowers. I've been looking at these photos more, and look at what it says at the bottom. It says, Happy Valentine's Day. She's right there. Now where's she going? And let me just tell you, it doesn't end well for me. She gave them my play button? What? Wait, that's my car. Wait, hold on, that's my car. Salish! Okay, she's in so much trouble, it's not even funny. Oh, there they are. There they are.
Guys, my dad is like right behind us. I made sure that my dad saw me get into this car because I need him to follow me. I think I see him back there.
I am on their tail. That's the Uber that has my daughter in it.
That's his car right there. This is perfect.
I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna call my wife. Hi, honey. Something weird happened. I just dropped Salish off at school, but she didn't actually go into school. She just got into an Uber, and I don't know where she's going. I'm following the Uber right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, I'm checking her computer. She's got a message from an unknown number. It says, I'll meet you at the mall at 3 p.m. I'll pick you up in a limo. And then Salish said, bet. See you then.
What?
All right.
I'm going to the mall to get a bunch of stuff. Then at 3 p.m., a very special person is picking me up at the mall in a limo, and we're gonna seriously prank my dad. He's so clueless.
Honey, this is so weird. At the next stoplight, I'm just gonna get out and I'm gonna talk to her about this.
Wait, no. I want to know who she's meeting, but I don't want her to see you. Just stay on her. Don't lose her.
You're telling me that our kid is skipping school and you don't want me to go bust her right now, but instead just follow her around and see what she does?
Yeah.
The last times I've ever tried to follow her around, she always knew I was following her. I don't know how this is gonna be any different.
I wonder what he's gonna try to do today. Fake beard, fake mustache. He's for sure gonna do that. Sandy, show all of the times he's done that. Yeah, exactly.
She's probably like jazzed about missing school and maybe a little bit nervous.
You're being so weird. Why are you so chill that she just skipped school without telling us? Now it's getting really close. I could pull up right next to her car.
Hey, don't.
Okay. All right, I'll let you know what's going on. I think this is super weird, but okay.
Okay, call me back.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you. I was gonna just go get her in so much trouble and now I gotta hide from her? I'm gonna just film this whole thing. I'm gonna make a video out of this.
There we go. Doesn't he look stupid?
So my day is I gotta follow my daughter through the mall to see who she's meeting later today. This doesn't make any sense. I had a full day planned.
Not anymore because now he's following me.
Right there. She can't see me now.
He just has no idea that I know. Excuse me, this is perfect. Thank you.
Whoa. She's getting out of the car.
I need to make sure that my dad sees me get into Nordstrom, and then we're gonna spend a lot of his money.
She's still talking to somebody. She doesn't see me. She's going into Nordstrom.
Okay, I think my dad sees me getting in. He's right there. Thank you so much.
Okay, I gotta go park somewhere.
He's right there. Oh, he was just looking at me.
She's in there somewhere. Here we go again. Wasn't I just doing this 2 weeks ago, following my kid all around Vegas?
He's literally filming me. Okay, I'm gonna walk right here.
I think I found her right there.
He's hiding behind clothes, and he looks really fun.
So who's she talking to? Who's picking her up today?
He thinks he's so discreet. He's not discreet. I'm gonna go to purses because that's really expensive. This one's kind of cute.
She's looking at a purse. Why would she be buying a purse?
This is kind of cute. $200.95? That's crazy.
Obviously, she can see me and she'll know it's me, so I gotta find something to wear. Do we like this on me? I have no idea what she would be buying a purse for.
I just hate spending like so much money on just like a purse. Like it's actually insane.
Okay, she's coming this way. I gotta get a hat, obviously.
Just look at my dad really quick. He's trying to find a coat.
What do you think? You like it? Yeah. Is it rocking?
Perfect, yeah.
Sweet, let's buy it.
Green again. He always wears green. He's right there. Do you guys see him?
Can we check this out quickly? Thank you so much.
I need to spend a lot of his money. This one could be kind of cute. $610 for that? Bro, how?
I just caught my daughter skipping school and I'm following her to see why she's skipping school. So I gotta buy this to kind of be in disguise. She's 15. I've never known her to skip school before, so awesome, thank you.
Whenever something doesn't have a price tag on it, that means it's super expensive. And a lot of things here don't have price tags. Look at this. It looks like a shell.
This is the best I can do. I think I'm pretty disguised here.
Hi, am I able to buy this? Thank you. This is awkward, guys.
Okay, I found her. She's checking out right now. It looks like she bought a really nice bag. This doesn't make any sense at all. Why would she buy such a nice bag? If she bought a Longchamp bag, I think those are like thousands of dollars, but I don't know how much money she has saved.
Your total is $437.80.
Thank you so much. I got a cute one. It's perfect.
I just got an alert on my phone that said Salish spent $437.80 of my money. It went out of my account. This is crazy. This is something she would never do. Use my money without permission. To buy a purse? I gotta tell Lauren. Hey, honey.
Where are you?
Okay, I'm in Nordstrom and Salish just bought some super expensive purse, so I think I'm just gonna go over and talk to her because this is ridiculous.
Hold on, let's just see what she does.
So you want me to just let her skip school and walk around the mall? You just want me to follow her in this ridiculous outfit?
It just seems like a good opportunity to see what she's up to.
Why don't you turn your camera on, by the way?
Because I'm in the middle of cleaning and I'm a disaster.
I gotta go because I just lost her. I don't know where she is now. Now I gotta run.
Okay, go find her, go find her.
All right,
Don't lose her.
Nordstrom is right there. This was so much money and it was really awkward buying it because the woman was like, is this for you? And then I was like, no.
I don't know where Salish is. She's not in Apple. How do I keep missing her?
He's trying to follow me and he already lost me. He doesn't seem like a very good daughter owner. Parent, that's the word I'm looking for.
Would she need to buy another purse in Kate Spade? I hope not.
I'm just gonna walk out and pace around a little bit, and at that point, hopefully he sees me.
I'll bet you anything she went into Lulu.
Oh, there he is, okay. Bro, he got his little green Nike tag. I can't wait to wear that. Before the next prank on my dad, I need to buy a special gift for the mystery person who's picking me up later. I need to get something super special for the person I'm meeting today. I'm gonna go to our next place. Hi.
Oh, wait a minute. No way. Okay, that looks like a jewelry store.
Here's a really cute heart necklace. I get that one. Is it possible to get this one? Yeah. Thank you so much.
I don't know what she's buying, but it's probably expensive.
Or these two amount to be $118.80 today.
Perfect.
I decided this sunglasses was looking super suspicious. I'm just gonna keep my hood and hat like this. I'll stay at a distance from Salish so she won't be able to see my face. What is she getting?
Thank you so much for helping.
What did she just get?
I just got them the necklace. It's so cute, bro.
She's going up the escalator.
I have low-key no idea. Oh, there he is. He thinks he's literally so discreet. He's like right there.
I just got the alert of the jewelry was $118, yes, charged to my account. I gotta find out what she bought. Okay, what did she pick? She bought this heart?
Yeah, with the necklace.
I gotta go find her now, thank you.
I'm all done shopping for different people. I'm gonna go to PacSun just to spend a lot of his money.
She's been in here for like 30 minutes and she bought a really expensive Coach bag and a heart necklace. And she's meeting somebody later, so what is going on?
So as soon as I got into the Uber, I turned off Find Friends because I really want my dad to think that I snuck out of school.
I really wanna make a video out of this because I caught my daughter skipping school and you're going to see at the end of the day how busted she's going to be, so wait to the end. I'm not very good at following people. I have no idea where Salish is right now.
I'm gonna spend the whole day at this mall getting a bunch of stuff that I'll need for later. And it's all gonna drive my dad crazy.
I didn't know she was a purse girl. She's 15 now. Maybe she's getting into purses, but this is not Salish. When she wants something, she pays with her own money. Lauren doesn't seem to be worried in the least about this.
There's a lot I have to do before the limo picks me up, so we gotta keep on going.
Okay, where would Salish go? She would not go to Hot Topic, but Aerie might be. Okay, she's not in there. Steve Madden, please say no to Steve Madden. That is too expensive. I'm just gonna check Zara real quick. A couple weeks ago in Vegas, I intentionally gave her my credit card and said she could spend it, and she was mainly spending it on Nadal and to prank me. Today is different. She doesn't know I'm here, so she's just spending my money. That's just not like her. Found her. I think she's doing a photo.
Before I keep shopping, I need a hiding spot to make a call, which is super important for the final surprise later. I need to make a call, so I'm just gonna go to PacSun and use their dressing room.
There was several kids that took photos with Salish. What, are they all out of school?
I got like 3 random tops because I need to go to my dressing room.
I'm gonna go into PacSun. Okay, there she is. She just went in the dressing room, so that means she's buying clothes.
Now I need to make a very important phone call.
I could see her skipping school just to buy clothes. This kid is clothes obsessed, but let me guess, am I paying for that too?
Guys, I just placed a huge order. They said it would be ready by 3 p.m. and they said it can fit in a limo, so I think that's perfect.
Hi, I guess my costume doesn't work. You guys just saw Salish, I guess, and then, okay. All right, well, thank you. Don't tell her you saw me. If that family recognized me, that means that my disguise is not working very well, so I have to stay at a distance from Salish so she doesn't see my face. I am way over here. She would not be able to see my face.
Now I'm gonna go to Sephora.
I just saw her come out, and she's on the phone again.
I'm pretty certain my dad thinks I'm FaceTiming someone. Who does he think that I would just be on a FaceTime with randomly at the mall?
Who is she talking to on the phone all the time? Oh, I can zoom in on her camera. Nope. So you're just spending the day at the mall shopping and FaceTiming a friend.
Before the next prank on my dad, I need to do some touch-ups on my makeup. I have a photo shoot planned, so I'm gonna go to Sephora to do some touch-ups.
She's gonna skip school. Why doesn't she meet up with some friends or something? Why do it by yourself?
I'm just gonna grab some lip gloss from Summer Fridays. This color is really pretty.
I really want to make a video where at the end of the day, she gets busted for skipping school. So let's see if it happens. Gotta go into Sephora and not let anybody know I'm filming.
This one's so pretty. Another one of my favorite ones is the Fenty one.
Hi, how are you? I don't see her anywhere.
We found some perfume.
She's right there.
So I'm next to Valentino with the Carolina one. That's why I always do it. It smells really good. I haven't seen my dad in Sephora yet. Now I'm all ready for the photo booth.
I saw her in Sephora, so I'll just wait till she gets out.
This concealer is actually really good, the Tower 28 one. And the Patrick Tall blushes, they're really good. It's like my favorite products ever.
Here she comes.
I just left Sephora. I can literally see him filming me right now.
Again, on a FaceTime. Where is she going? I saw her go into this store.
I'm gonna take really sweet photos, and you'll see why later. But first, I need to make a call to set up another prank on my dad. I'm gonna get into a photo booth, and now I'll make my phone call.
Okay, photo booth. I guess she's taking a photo.
You guys might be wondering why I'm doing this. It's just gonna be so cute. I can't wait. Just watch, just trust. Before I do the photo shoot, I have to make a call to set up the next part of my plan.
What is happening? Why is she in the photo booth?
I just got off the phone and I'm meeting someone in the food court in 1 hour to prank my dad, and I can't wait. It's gonna be so funny. I'm gonna pay with my dad's money, so thank you, Dad. Oh, I'll do Happy Valentine's Day. I chose roses. $10 for 2? That's crazy. Now I'm gonna do a lot of hearts.
Why is she alone in the mall? Why is she skipping school? Why is she spending all my money? None of this makes sense. I don't know why I'm so scared about getting caught by Salish. If I get caught, I'd say, you're skipping school, dude. I mean, I have the high moral ground here, not her, but still, I don't want to get caught.
I can't tell you guys why yet, but I need these pictures to be really cute.
Who's she FaceTiming? It's the same person she's meeting?
I know my dad was watching me for taking all of those photos, and now I have the photos. I'm gonna drop one of them while he's watching me, and he's probably gonna pick it up, and he's gonna get freaked out because he's gonna wonder who I'm making these hearts to. But yeah, this is gonna be fun.
I just saw her leave.
I'm just gonna drop one right there.
Okay, wait. She dropped something on the ground.
Okay.
Salish, what is this?
I don't know if that prank works because I don't know if my dad took the picture or not, but if it didn't, it's okay because now we're going to Starbucks for another prank.
What's this all about? Heart signs with her hands for who? The person she's meeting?
Guys, now I'm gonna wait for him. Okay, you see that? Oh, I see him. Okay, I just needed to make sure that he was still following me.
She's FaceTiming somebody. She's walking around the mall, skipping school, making heart signs, taking photos, spending a bunch of money. I am so confused. Now, where are you going, Say?
I got my pink drink and I got my cake pop.
Let me guess. Would she be right there? And she's right there.
It's good today. I don't want to see my dad anymore.
Guys, seriously, please don't tell her you saw me. That will ruin the whole thing. Those guys just wanted a photo, and I'm afraid they're gonna go up and tell her I'm here. But if they're asking for photos, this disguise ain't happening, so I gotta stay far away from Salish.
He's right next to Old Navy right there.
She can't see me from this distance here. She wouldn't know it's me.
Right there.
She's seriously taking a long time in Starbucks, but I guess that's what you do when you skip school. My costume sucks. What's she gonna confront me on? What are you doing here, Dad? I'll be like, what are you doing here, Say? Right? I'm winning this argument. I'm good. Bring it on. I would have busted her so badly by now if I didn't have to wait and find out who she's meeting.
I'm leaving. Now I'm gonna prank my dad again.
This video is gonna be titled, My Daughter Skipped School and Got in a Lot of Trouble. Where do you see the lot of trouble? Because she is in serious trouble for doing this. I've seen a bunch of teenagers at this mall. Is this like National Skip School Day or something? Because Salish is not the only one her age at this mall. I'm confused.
My plan is coming together, but I need my dad to know that someone is picking me up in a limo later, and I know just the way to do it. I have to get closer, and then I'm gonna start talking over that. I have to pretend to be on the phone with you.
I just got an alert, $10 at Starbucks. Like, she can buy her own Starbucks. I'm confused that she's using my card because she might have known I would get alerts.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna pick me up in a limo? Wait, no way.
Somebody's picking her up in a limo.
I can't wait, thank you.
How did she not see me? Wow, that was close.
I pretended to be on the phone, and he's still following me.
Right there. Now where is she going? So this disguise isn't working?
Every single time the disguise is obvious, in like 10 miles, you can always tell it's yourself.
Look at that look she's giving me. And now I've gotten distracted and I lost her. If you see her actually, just in case she doesn't know here, don't tell her. Where is Salish?
I see my dad. He's right. I'm going to Chipotle.
Is she meeting Nadal? No, he's in Texas, I think, right?
I got my bowl, so I'm gonna shake it. I love Chipotle. It's probably like my favorite fast food restaurant. It's actually so good.
Now I gotta go into the food court. Could you guys just do a quick walk around of the food court? I'm gonna wait over here and come back and tell me if you see her. Do you mind doing that?
Okay, yeah.
Yes, where is she? Okay, right over there. Amazing, thank you. Okay, shh, don't tell Salish I'm here.
So now it's time for the next prank to do on my dad. Inside my backpack is my dad's diamond play button. The person that I called an hour ago is in the food court and they're gonna buy my dad's play button for $1. It's gonna totally freak him out. Don't worry guys, they're not actually strangers.
They said she's over here somewhere, right there. We have a lunch break. I've been looking at these photos more and look at what it says at the bottom. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day was 3 days ago, so the question is, who is she celebrating a late Valentine's Day with? Is it the same person that's picking her up in the limo? I don't know. She's left lunch. Where are we going now, Say?
Guys, remember when I made that call a while ago? That call was to these two people who are gonna meet me here in the food court. I'm going to give them my dad's diamond play button. Then when he's trying to get it back, I have to run to set up the next prank. Hi.
She's talking to people.
Here's the play button.
What is she giving them? What is that?
Oh, it's a little bit heavy. Well, thank you guys so much.
Does she know those people?
Bye.
Does she see me? No. Oh. Oh.
So I just give the play button away, and we'll see if my dad tries to buy it back from them.
Salish just disappeared into the crowd. What are they doing? What? She gave them my play button?
I can see him right there. Guys, you see that? I think he's probably gonna try and buy it back. That's kind of funny.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How are you? I'm okay. I think that there's a misunderstanding. Something weird happened. That's my play button.
Now I have to run because I have to go plan the next prank and get it all set up. Let's go. I'm gonna set up a tow truck to tow my dad's car so he can't follow me when I'm in the limo.
I don't understand. Why would she give you my play button?
So we did a video together.
Please tell me you guys are dating.
Yeah, we're dating.
Elevator, right? I remember. Okay.
We were telling her how much we wanted one of these, and then she called us recently and said, meet us at the mall. I'll give you the play button.
She literally told you to come here and she would just give it to you?
Yeah. I have to hurry up and go outside and meet the tow truck and tell them what they're doing because he has to get his car towed at 3 p.m. And if I'm late, then I probably can't pull off this prank, so I gotta hurry.
I don't know why she gave it to you, but it's my play button. It says my name right there. I don't want to be rude, I'm so sorry, but can I have it back?
Just 1 second.
Actually?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you guys.
We did good. We killed enough time. We're YouTubers ourselves. We film a lot of the things we do, so hopefully he's not too suspicious of that.
Good luck, Salish.
That was the weirdest thing ever. Now I gotta carry this 20-pound, 50-pound, 100-pound thing out. She's in so much trouble, it's not even funny.
Okay, the tow truck is all set up, and now I have to go find my dad to let him follow me again.
And where did Salish go? I completely lost her now.
I just finished talking to the tow truck driver. What's gonna happen is when I get into that limo, my dad is gonna be about to get into his car, but his car is gonna start getting tow trucked, and it's gonna be so funny. I can't wait for this prank. This is the best one yet.
Salish gave my play button to somebody that she met at a shoot. I would almost think it's because she's messing with me again, but as far as she knows, I think she's at school. She has no clue I'm here.
I see him. Let's let him follow me, and I'm gonna go into Macy's.
She's supposed to be getting picked up in a limo, I guess? I can't believe she skipped school.
He's right there.
I just saw her. Literally just saw her. There she is. That was literally so close.
The tow truck is fully ready, but it's not time for that prank yet. I have a few more things to buy first.
She's going into Macy's now.
Time to spend some money and drive my dad crazy. I made it to Macy's and I'm supposed to pick up some roses, so I'm gonna have to find where those are.
Who that Salish knows could afford a limo and would pick her up in one?
I got these two flowers and they're so pretty and they're really romantic.
That's her right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Are those flowers? Who is she buying flowers for? And jewelry.
Now we have to head to the next thing. My dad is literally filming right behind me. I can see it.
I gotta stay far enough away that I don't get busted. If she doesn't leave soon, she's not gonna get back to school in time to get picked up, and then she would make it obvious she had skipped school altogether.
I'm just gonna smell the roses and be like really happy about it.
What?
So romantic.
She bought roses for herself, for somebody else. Who?
I'm pretty sure I drove me crazy. Now I'm just gonna go to this 85 bakery because I need to get a super romantic Valentine's Day cake. So I think that deluxe strawberry cream is perfect. I'm gonna buy that one. I need it to have like lettering like XOXO because I feel like that's like really cute.
Salish went into that bakery and she's been in there for like 15 minutes.
The cake is done. It's exactly how I wanted it. Now I'm gonna go walk to Nordstrom. I have one more prank and then I gotta go because then my dad's car is gonna be getting towed and I'm gonna be getting in my limo. So let's go, I'm so excited.
She's got a big box of something. Finally, she's not FaceTiming someone. She should be leaving soon to get back to school. Actually, sir, excuse me, that's my car.
Oh my gosh, she's seeing his car getting towed right now.
Sorry, this is my car.
Yeah, you parking legally.
I was parked legally, I think.
Yeah, I found it. Somebody called it.
Somebody called it in?
This is Brooklyn.
Hi, my name's Brooklyn and I'm 9 years old and my wish was to prank Salish's dad the whole entire day.
Brooklyn was diagnosed with cancer 2 years ago. It was super scary, but the great news was all of the tests have come back negative and she's on her way to a full recovery. She's been waiting 2 years for her wish, which was to meet up with me and prank my dad. So let's do this.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm filming you. I'm doing a video about this.
Your daughter watching the video.
Your daughter watches our videos?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, well,
Giving you car back.
You give my car back? Yes, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Time to give Brooklyn the gift that I bought for her earlier. All right, Brooklyn, I actually have one thing to give to you. I really hope you like it.
Oh, this is a cute box. Touch. Oh, this is so cute.
I hope you like it. Do you want me to put it on you?
Yes, please.
How lucky was that? Oh my gosh, he was towing our car and then his daughter watches our videos, so he's gonna give it back to me. Super nice, wow. Who was in the limo? I missed it.
The tow truck was just to delay my dad because we need a couple minutes for the last thing.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Now I've completely lost Salish. I have no clue where she is. Just check Find Friends and Salish is still off the grid, so I have no idea where she is.
Are you ready to go prank my dad?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Oh my God, I'm an idiot. I should have gone into the limo, found out who she was with, and then gone to get my car.
We made it to Party City. Now we gotta get balloons. Thank you so much. Here's the bag, and then can you please get the balloons?
Yes, I can.
Thank you so much, Brooklyn. I'll see you back at home, okay?
Okay.
Nice to see you.
Jordan, you better be ready for this prank.
Now I gotta act like I just came back from school.
All I had to do was see who she was getting in the limo with. I don't know what happened. I lost her. I don't know where she is.
I'm assuming that she's expecting you to pick her up at school today.
So you think she's going back to school in a limo? Why would she be going in a limo? She got roses and a cake and Valentine's Day stuff. Like, she was getting romantic stuff.
Just pick her up when you guys get home. We'll figure out what we want to talk to her about.
All right, I'm gonna go get her at school right now, see what happens.
Now that I'm back at school, I'm gonna turn on my Find Friends.
I'm making this into a video. My daughter skipped school and got a severe punishment. How's that for a title? I'm gonna just check Find Friends again. Oh, wow. Her Find Friends is on and she's at school.
You're close to seeing why I'm doing all of this. Oh, and by the way, my mom was in on everything.
That's Salish all by herself. Where is everybody?
He's right there.
This place is usually packed. Okay, see how she explains this.
I've been pranking my dad all day as a part of Brooklyn's Make-A-Wish, but the biggest one is coming up now. Let's get in the car. Hi.
Hey.
Why are you filming me?
I don't know. How you doing?
Good.
How's school?
Good.
So what did you do all day?
I don't know. Where's your hoodie from?
It's from the mall, actually.
Yeah, I know. I saw you there.
You saw me?
Yeah.
Wait, is that why there were so many kids? Wait, so you knew I was doing this?
Remember how you couldn't celebrate Valentine's Day with Mom because you were traveling?
Uh-huh.
Walk on to right here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow! Wait, what?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Is this why I was out all day?
This is why.
Wait, is this why you took this photo?
Do you like it?
I love this.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I was like, who's she doing that for?
Oh, by the way, Dad, here's the present that you got Mom. It was in your car because you're really sweet. Remember?
Of course. Honey, I got you a Valentine's gift.
Oh, isn't that cute?
The purse you bought.
No, you bought it.
The purse I bought you at Nordstrom.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Really, really, really cute.
This whole time you were just getting things for this Valentine's surprise. Sandy, cue a graphic. Today, my daughter Salish and 2 of her friends compete against 3 grown-ups to see who is better at school, kids or adults. The teams will attend 6 schools that shouldn't exist. They will need to complete extreme challenges.
One of you is gonna be on each side of the what? Hey, I said it's a rack! It's a rack! The rack! What is it? It's a rack! Get there now!
I'm your teacher. Come on, you don't trust your teacher?
What do we do?
I would like to discuss your recent TikToks. When your crush also has a crush on you, #SalishMatter.
What?
Oh!
And whoever has the most points at the end wins and proves that
Teens are way smarter than adults.
Excuse me? Y'all think y'all are smarter than adults?
Listen here, pipsqueak.
No, we're
not.
Let's save it for the actual competition. Let's go to the first class. Come on. Before you see your first school, everybody put your phones into this basket.
What?
Let's go right now.
All right, here, yo.
The adults are leading the way. Follow your elders.
You will get them back at the end of the day, and the winning team will get to go through the losing team's photos and post embarrassing photos of the losing team.
Post
them. You might want to really win this game.
We need to win because I have a photo of the boy that gave me flowers and I cannot show that. No.
Are you ready for your first school?
Yeah!
This is called the School with No Rules.
Go, go, go!
This school is modeled after the unschooling philosophy, which says that you go to school and you decide what you're going to learn that day.
Oh, wait, so there's no rules in the school?
No rules. You can do whatever you want.
Amazing.
Wait, what's she doing?
Food for everybody! Hey, hey, hey!
Oh, wait, we can just grab food?
I don't like this no rules thing, but this is what it is.
Oh, no, you did not. You know what? What's done to you
Markel
needs to be done to your teammates.
Oh my God! What? Yo, guys, we haven't even started.
How about that?
Yo.
Have we gotten it out of our systems now? Your first challenge is to pass a quiz.
Oh.
Easy.
All you have to do is listen to the lecture of your teacher, Mr. Papa Gilroy.
All right, campers, here's how it's gonna go. I'm gonna give you a presentation. After that, we get a quiz. Whichever team gets more questions right wins.
Let's go!
Yeah, thank you.
I'm fired up.
Love the energy, love the energy.
Wait, so if there's no rules, then why are we even doing this?
Absolutely right. There are no rules. However, if you want to win the challenge, then you got to participate with the quiz and win.
Guys, I'm trying to listen.
Listen to Pepto-Bismol kid over here. Let's go. Come on.
Bro.
All right, we're gonna begin this presentation.
So this is the moment they have to focus.
The many lies in summer, what I call my sophomore year in college. Let's go.
Just because team teens and team adults are paying attention to the quiz doesn't mean the rest of the students are paying attention.
Remember who's who, very important. Next slide, awesome.
Guys, look in!
They're going
I don't care!
The other students are going to make it very difficult for them to pay attention. Let's see which team is able to focus through all the chaos.
Honestly, I think we do not listen to the teacher. I think we just got to read what's on the board. Honestly, bro, I think the teacher's fried. He has no idea what he's talking about.
We need to win. There's no question about it because nobody needs to go through my photos because depending on where they look, could be bad.
We have Anna. She's come to the parties that cost her. Right, she's talking with her friend Charlotte. Popularity parties, right? It's very Disney princess. She wants something better. She wants something more.
Stop skateboarding!
I'm a stupid presentation!
How am I supposed to study this presentation and retain all this information if they're sitting there skateboarding in front of me, in front of the board, and the teacher isn't doing anything about it?
Excuse me, can we go back one slide, please?
I'm so sorry, but we got to keep going in order for the quiz. Next slide, let's go.
Wait, but you're going too fast!
What? That stupid presentation! What happened so far?
Conflict to remember.
There goes Salish. With dogs around, she'll never be able to pay attention. I just hope she remembers that if they lose this challenge, her Valentine's photo with the boy that gave her flowers could be online by the end of this video.
How am I supposed to pay attention to a quiz if there's a dog there? Oh my gosh, the dogs are so cute!
Key themes. We have different things here. Remember, confidence, the main one. But it's really about who you are, think you have to be for him.
Just want to say something. How awesome is that? It started bad, but it just keeps getting worse. And now Starbucks.
Which one you want? The matcha one, please.
We got matcha, pink drink.
Confidence, one of the main themes to remember. Confidence.
Hey, can I have the answers for this?
No, I don't do Starbucks anymore.
Obviously, we are having fun with the concept of unschooling, but it's actually a teaching method many people love.
Yo! Galloway! Oh! Why are the Zorball people just rolling around? I'm trying to listen. Get out of the way!
Teacher, how are you allowing this? Oh my, yo! Oh my!
And if you think this is bad, check this out.
We have to focus! Where in the right mind do you think it is the right time to start a dance party in the middle of a presentation?
And while everybody was having fun, the teacher kept going on with his presentation.
Be confident about the themes, all right? That's a clue.
Confident is huge!
Thank you! Cut the music! Presentation over. Sit down, campers. Here we go. Please have a seat, campers.
Bro, I didn't hear one word you said.
You're going to be asked 3 quiz questions that you should have learned from the presentation. Each team will have 10 seconds to figure out the answer, and then you say your answer at the same time. Whichever team gets more answers right wins this round.
If I knew what the consequences were, I would have deleted a few photos. I hope we win.
All right, question 1. What is Anana's last name?
Topper?
Who's Anana?
3, 2, 1.
Silver!
What'd you say?
Silver.
No, they said Smith!
No, you did not! No, you did not! It sounded like you said something completely different.
You said Smith.
On our friendship, I did not say Smith.
Oh. Okay, I believe him. He definitely said silver. Sit down. Sit down.
Now we agreed both teams came out with the answer silver. The correct answer is silver.
Yes!
Thank you. Next question. Who is Anana's best friend?
Sasha.
1, 2, 3.
Sasha!
Both have it correct. Well done.
Even though there were a lot of distractions, it seems like both teams were somehow able to pay attention. So this is coming down to the final question.
Remember, this is the deal-breaking question. Whichever team gets it right will be hailed heroes. The other ones, not so heroes.
Or losers.
There are no rules, there are no losers. Which of these is not a theme of the story? Listen carefully, I will give all supposed answers. A, honesty. B, confidence. C, belonging. D, identity.
It's identity.
Yep, that's
I'm a genius! Yeah! Oh!
All right, when I count to 3, each team is going to reveal their answer on paper, showing only me.
Wait. This is so exciting because one of you teams is about to have to put the most embarrassing pictures online, which is brutal, and the other team is gonna get to do that. So, whichever team picks gets an early lead, so you both wanna win. Are you sure in your answers?
We're positive.
No, we're changing it.
Oh, she's changing it.
Team, we good?
Yeah.
Teacher, how are you allowing this?
Again, there are no rules.
No rules.
Okay, so what did you say?
We said belonging.
And then what did you say?
Honesty.
And the answer is, which of these is not a theme of the story? Confidence. What? Oh!
She was like, guys, remember confidence. It's a huge key theme.
Confidence, one of the main themes to remember. Confidence.
Oh my gosh, I'm done with this teacher.
Okay, you can crash out as much as you want, but there was a slide with the themes that none of you paid attention to.
And on that slide, he kept on saying, remember confidence. It's a huge part of theme.
Key themes. Here, remember, confidence, the main one.
This teacher is like, oh my god.
I've got an idea for a tiebreaker. Each team nominate one person for a Zorb ball fight.
Put me in.
One of them wants to hide the photo of the boy that gave her flowers, and the other one has some TikToks to explain.
What are these hashtags, Gio? No lying, Gio.
I think you're great.
Do you have a crush on her?
So no one here can afford to lose. It is Gio versus Markel. First one to hit the ground loses. The winner gets a point. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Gio! Oh, wow! You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, you can get out. Gio is down. Adults win.
Let's go! Let's go!
Next is influencer school.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I've always wanted to be an influencer.
None of you guys are good at TikTok. Yeah.
Okay, I disagree. Markel is amazing at TikTok.
Yeah.
Come on, Mark. Wait, I can't cheer
I'm
for
not
you.
teaching you anything.
Yeah. Also, Gio's had some interesting TikToks recently, but we might talk about that later today.
Gio, where are you looking, bro? Okay. Where are you looking?
Because you guys are bad at TikTok, I'm gonna bring in the top influencer basically in the world to teach you how to do it right. The one and only Brent Rivera.
You know, I don't like when your dad does that. The whole explosion thing.
You don't like it?
It kind of hurts. I am here to teach you guys how to be an influencer. So since you guys don't have your phones still, I have 2 phones right here.
Thank you.
You guys have 15 minutes to make a TikTok on the brand new account. Whoever gets the most views will win the challenge.
Wait, we only have 15 minutes and we have to do the TikTok with you?
Yep, with me. So.
Yo, come with us. Let's go.
There's already some influencer schools popping up around the country, but I have a feeling within a few years there'll be a bunch more because the #1 career kids want out of high school is influencer.
What if we're just honest with TikTok and we're like, hey guys, we're in a challenge against Salish. We need more views, blow this up so we can win the challenge. I feel like we need something big though to like start the TikTok, like we need a hook.
That's smart. You want to catch the viewer's attention right away.
We're so cooked. What the heck
We're not
do we do?
we already know that they have their TikTok down.
Should I go spy on them and see what we're doing?
Absolutely. I see the sweatshirt. You know what? I'm watching you, Pepto-Bismol.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. You always want to stand out, so this shirt is not going to cut it. You got to be with the pink, the blues.
While Gio and Sean are busy planning, I'm getting tips from Brent because we have to win this challenge.
Okay, we can do that. We can do that.
Let's go! Yes!
Okay, we got to teach Salish.
You spot her back.
Wait,
All she's gonna do.
What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
They're doing something interesting, a backflip.
Oh, we're just doing a dance video.
Side up.
What the heck?
Yes. Then.
I got it!
Yes!
3, 2, 1, action.
Hey, wait, please! We are doing a challenge versus Jordan and Salish Matter, and we really need your help to get the most views.
Guys, if we win this challenge, Salish has to shave her head. So like it up.
Let's go. That was perfect. That was perfect. Okay.
Please. Hey, we need you. We need you. Yeah, you need me right now? We need you right now. Dun, dun. Wait, we're doing a dance? You know what? I thought the adults had it bad, but the kids, they're everywhere. I don't even think they know what they're doing.
I'm sorry, but this is the most basic, boring TikTok doing a dance. What can make it interesting?
Okay, they're saying they want to do a dance. I'm saying that might not be enough, but I mean, they're not listening to their teacher, so.
Tap. Tap. Double tap. And
Swing your arms, ready? Yes. Yep, there it is. Right there.
Okay,
That's
sure.
it. I love that. So as you guys know, we can't play the actual song on YouTube, but go to TikTok to see that one for real. All right, after all those TikToks, you guys must be a little hungry, right? I brought some levels. These are the Nacho Cheese ones if you guys wanna. Oh, wait, guys, what the? Guys, be careful. I'm glad you guys.
Yo, okay.
I'm glad you guys are enjoying your levels.
What are you doing wasting this? There's none left for me, dang it. Go, Jordan, what are you?
Jordan.
So now that you guys ate all my levels, guys, take out your phones. It's time to post that TikTok. 20 seconds, so add your text.
20 seconds.
Add your description, whatever you guys need. All right, here we go.
Cover. Do the cover of our page.
4. Are you ready?
We already posted.
They posted. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Posted.
Okay, we got posted. All right, now that you guys posted, let's wait an hour and see who gets the most likes, all right?
Okay.
All right.
If you think this is wild, wait until you see the next school.
You have a crush on her?
All right, guys, it has been an hour. I have the results. The team that got the most likes on their TikTok is Team Teen.
Yes!
In your space.
Nice shot. A+, guys. Students, welcome to your next school, which is the world's strictest school, as you can tell by your uniforms.
Yeah, Dad, what are these pants? Did you want to get any other cute outfit?
I think I took her shirt.
You have 1 minute. Each team has to nominate one person. Go.
Markel.
Salish.
Wait, what? Okay.
All right, Salish and Markel, sit down.
Oh, no.
Your teacher is Miss Karen, and she's going to explain to you your challenge. Good luck.
The most important rule at this school, no laughing.
This strictest school is modeled after a super serious preparatory school that is all about teaching the students how to follow rules.
The challenge is the eye contact trend from TikTok. You'll take a sip of water, and the first person to laugh 3 times and spit out their water loses the challenge.
Guys, I laugh at everything.
Yes, sir. Bro, just keep that mind empty and you'll be good to go.
Wait, hold on, we'll get a practice round. Ready?
Okay.
Yeah, we got this.
Alright.
It's not that funny.
No.
Remember, bro, remember how we trained. Okay, let's go.
No. Keep going.
That's okay. Come on.
I'm sorry, I can't do it, guys.
Salish needs to focus if she wants to win this challenge. Don't.
Oh! Wait, we won! That was 3, let's go!
Yes, Markel! I'm sorry, Markel, I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Our next rule at this school, no lying. And for this next challenge, I'm going to let Professor Matter handle it.
Professor Matter.
Professor, what's up?
Sounds good on me, Professor, right? You can
I like
see
it, I like it.
I need a volunteer from the adults first.
Jolie.
Jolie, I'm going to ask each player a question. The first one to refuse to answer automatically loses the point for their team.
I really don't want to lose because I cannot reveal what's on my phone because there's a lot of secrets about other people on there, and I can't out other people.
You've interviewed a lot of influencers on your channel, right?
Yeah.
Who was your least favorite?
Oh my God.
You could not answer it because it's awkward, but then...
No, Jolie,
gotta answer it. You gotta answer it.
It doesn't mean you don't like them or anything.
It's up to you, Jolie. You don't have to answer.
There's no pressure at all.
Jolie.
Yeah,
Yeah,
imagine
Jolie,
their
if they
feelings
see
getting
it,
hurt.
it's going to be very
Jolie.
Okay, you.
Oh, that is such a cop-out. Oh, why me?
Good answer.
Why me?
Good
You were
answer.
really sweaty. You were really sweaty.
I was not sweaty.
You were in a sauna.
And now, kids.
Teens.
Teens, will you nominate one person to tell the truth?
Gio.
Yeah, go ahead. Bye.
Okay, I got nothing to hide.
You got that?
All right.
Yep.
Gio needs to answer these questions because whoever loses is getting their most embarrassing photos exposed. If you choose not to answer this question, your team doesn't get a point. You guys are already in tough shape with points. I would like to discuss your recent TikToks.
Okay, yeah, sure.
There's been a consistency in the TikToks with your hashtags. How it feels getting a text from that one person.
Right, yeah.
Hashtag Salish Matter.
What?
Oh! Deal!
I get texts from a lot of people.
When they send,
Mr.
or if you would
Popular
like
over
another
here.
backup, so we could discuss both of them.
Sure, yeah.
When they send you a flirty text, but I can't understand hints to save my life. Hashtag Salish Matter.
Oh
my goodness. There might be one more. Since it's April 1st, let me be your fool. Hashtag Salish Matter.
Oh my God!
And then finally.
Finally.
This one. Okay, interesting. And then I'll do this and then you can tell me what this means, okay? When your crush also has a crush on you and you both know, hashtag Salish Matter.
God say so!
Big, so I think
Thank you.
I need to give you some credit.
By hashtagging me in your TikToks, you're giving me credit.
Right.
I mean, your TikToks are great on your own, so you don't have to hashtag me, but you can if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a crush on her?
That wasn't the question.
That wasn't the question.
That wasn't.
Okay.
Noted.
Yeah.
I can't imagine a question you wouldn't answer.
Correct.
You spent a lot of time with Charlie D'Amelio.
I do.
And you spent a lot of time in the Hype House. Well, was there one person that you really didn't like in the Hype House?
Markel, answer that.
Come on, you got it.
It's fine. It's fine.
I'll know if he's lying because I know the answer.
My OG days, that is so crazy.
Markel, lock
it's
it
so bad.
in.
Don't answer. Markel, if you don't answer this question, the kids win a point.
Yo,
You have to.
I'm gonna have to drop out of this one.
Markel!
It's okay. It's okay.
Markel, answer it.
I wouldn't do it if I was you.
You're not talking to this person anymore. They won't even know you said it, but if you don't want to say it, I respect your privacy, but you are going to let the kids win a point.
If I was your day ones, I would.
I would be so
That would be so. That's not good.
5 seconds, Markel.
Yo, I can't.
Kids are winning!
What the heck?
This is the world's smartest school, and this is Yassine, and he is probably smarter than all of you combined. And today we're gonna play a game of, are you smarter than a 5th grader? First, the adults will go. I will ask 3 questions. Whoever rings the red buzzer first gets to answer that question. And then if they get more points, they win the round.
You're smart, but you're going down.
Oh my God.
Question number 1. That was so fast, you're a horse. Is that a simile or a metaphor?
A metaphor.
Yes, that's right.
Let's go!
What is the square root of 144? Oh, Yassine.
12.
He's right.
That's right.
He's right.
You don't want to celebrate a little there, Yassine, no? 3rd question, the adults so far have 1 point. What is the greatest common factor of 18 and 27? Markel, the adults got it.
9.
That is right! Oh! Yeah! The adults got 2 out of 3. Wow! You guys have to get all 3 to win this round.
That's easy.
Let's go.
You seem, take him down, please. Tough crowd.
The adults shockingly won 2 of 3 points, so you have to win at least 2 to tie it, 3 to win it. Who discovered gravity? Whoa!
Sir Isaac Newton.
Yes! Wait! Let's go! That was my little girl right there! What document begins with "We the People"? Yes!
You just clicked it,
Constitution.
You said the Constitution. Is that accurate? No, it is not! And now Yassine has a chance to answer it. Yassine.
Declaration of Independence.
Let him cook! Final question. If the kids win this, if the teens get this point, it's all tied up, sudden death. If they lose it, you guys win. Final question. What is the melting point of ice in degrees?
0 degrees Celsius.
That is correct! The adults win this round! Nice, yes! This is beauty school. There's scissors and shavers and hair care products here, and there's 2 chairs. So, can I please have our volunteers? This is Jake and this is Bella from the team. They've both agreed to let their hair get styled in whatever way they want, which is crazy. You get 30 minutes each to style their hair. And at the end, they're gonna rank you 1 through 5 stars. And whoever gets a higher star, that team wins.
I'm getting that raise still, right?
Time starts right now, go. Beauty school is what's known as a trade school, which means that a student doesn't study general education. Instead, they go to a school for a very specific skill that they learn to go out and get a job doing that skill.
Sopper, we start with the trim.
I feel bad for her.
Oh God. Don't go that. Oh my God. Okay, hold up.
There we go.
Ow, go lighter.
What do you think about braiding it? Should we braid it?
2 braids go into the bag.
I got this.
Shoot, is that your ear?
Yeah, don't cut my ear off, please.
Ew, it got on me!
What, my hair? What? What? Does it look bad? It's unique. Her hair looks good.
That's what I'm saying.
It looks like they didn't do anything and now they're making braids out of it.
Why are there so many scissors? There's a lot of scissors.
hiring you guys to fix it.
Ow!
I'm not so sure I trust Salish with scissors, but they did volunteer for this. Oh my gosh.
Does it look good?
Oh, wow.
Stop saying that. Does it look good?
It looks different.
This side looks really good. The other side doesn't look as good.
That's not good.
There is no way Salish is getting 5 stars.
We're gonna have your hair match my hoodie.
Should we do a little bit of blue as well?
Wait.
Wait!
Do I look good?
Oh my gosh, wait, it's not bad.
Oh, hold on.
Oh my God. I look like a witch.
5 minutes.
Wow.
You gotta stop!
Sorry.
Yo, that looks freaking amazing.
Wow. It looks like I'm going to a gender reveal.
It's Salish.
Ow! Oh!
Salish.
Oh.
Was that hot?
It's okay, I've done that a lot. You're fine.
Oh. What kind of technique is that?
I've seen it in a video before.
Topper's team may be a little overconfident with their skills, but at least they're not hurting their volunteer.
Ow!
Oh.
You have a really sensitive head.
You're attacking it.
We ate that up.
My eye. My
That's
eye.
it, stop!
Oh my goodness.
It looks like the adults styled Bella's hair nicely with a little color and some braids.
That's right.
But I'll tell you what, the kids, they cut a lot. They cut a lot of hair, right?
Dad, stop! Why did you do that?
Oh! No, what is that?
Now that's a love.
That is good.
Oh, you are.
Oh my God.
Wait!
Yo, chill.
It is now time for Jake and Bella to give their rating. Whichever person gives a higher star rating, that team wins this round.
Jake, before you do anything, I'm sorry, and I can fix it.
Bella, you're welcome.
Remember, winning each of these points is crucial because the losing team is going to have some of their most embarrassing photos exposed. Jake and Bella, take a look at your hair.
Yo, what do you think, huh? Hair looks good. Lighting.
Wow.
What is this?
It's not bad. It's not bad.
On the count of 3, you're going to put up however many fingers you're giving stars. 1,
Come on, Jake.
2, 3, go!
Honestly, when I saw my hair on the floor, I was scared, but it's actually pretty good. The back's a tiny uneven, which is why I took off a point, but overall, I might hire Salish as my hairstylist.
They did give me a cute bow, but it's still a 3.
Both teams had some good fun in beauty school, but this next school is going to be no joke. Of all the schools today, this is the one I would absolutely fail at because it's all about teaching discipline. Good luck with that, Salish. Currently, the adults and teens are tied 3-3. First team to 5 wins the whole thing.
This is your final school. And it is military school.
This is Sergeant George Anthony, who had a 10-year career in the Marines and is a former drill instructor.
One of the most important things that you will learn how to do is make a rack. What it is in front of you is not a bed, it is a rack. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, that's not volume. Stream, yes, sir.
Yes, sir!
Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
I'm gonna teach you how to do it, and then you will be evaluated on how it's done. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir!
2 on each side and 1 at the foot. Get there now, go. Nobody said take your time.
Okay, he's so intimidating, I'm not even gonna go in there.
All of you scream, aye, aye, sir.
Aye, aye, sir!
That's still not screaming, aye, aye, sir.
Aye, aye, sir!
Get on the other side of the bed. Go over there. Get back.
Aye, aye,
You
sir!
didn't say it. Get back.
Aye, aye, sir!
Get back over here now. Sounds funny?
Nope.
That's funny?
No, sir!
That's funny?
No, sir!
George Anthony, super nice guy, but also about this degree of intensity.
Take the first white sheet and spread it across the bed now.
Spread it.
This is called tabletop. Do you understand?
Aye, sir!
What is it?
Tabletop, sir!
What is it?
Tabletop, sir!
Okay, nobody said to fold it. Somebody said fold it. Good, rip it off the bed now.
Wait, so
Respond! If I tell you to do something, you respond.
Aye, sir.
Now, tabletop.
Tabletop!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop moving. Did I say tuck it?
Yeah.
Nope, rip it. Tabletop, say it.
Tabletop!
Spread it tight on the mattress now.
Aye, sir.
Aye, sir.
Pull it tight. Respond.
Aye, sir.
Good, rip it off now.
Aye, sir.
Rip it off. Rip it off.
Aye, sir.
tabletop now.
Tabletop spread.
3, 2,
Aye, sir.
1. Stop moving. Rip it.
Are you kidding me? Time.
Rip it. Rip it up.
He's not putting on an act. We talked to him before this video began. He's like this in real life.
Tuck it under the head now.
Aye, sir.
I guess only one of you knows how to respond. Rip it.
Both teams are getting increasingly frustrated that they have to do it over and over.
Nobody said stand with your hands on your hips. You're not club men.
Rip it.
Good. Rip it.
If we lose, they're definitely gonna see some pictures that would be pretty embarrassing, so I'm not trying to lose.
Take the excess of the second white sheet and tuck it under the foot of the bed.
I'm sorry.
What?
Sir, I am confused, sir.
It's not rocket science.
I can't lose. I can't lose. I can't lose. I can't lose. I can't lose.
Pick up the pillow!
Aye, sir.
Now, I'm gonna evaluate your racks. Do you understand?
I think that was good.
Shut up!
I was talking.
I don't care. What did I say to do?
Tuck it.
Oh, imagine that. Well, they won.
How close to actual military training was that?
Fairly close, but I took it a little easy.
Oh, it's harder?
Yeah.
The score is now kids 4. Teens 4, adults 3. If the teens win this round, they win the entire thing, and you guys have to put your photos embarrassingly out there. If you guys lose and you win, we go to sudden death. I'm gonna go far away because he scares me, so I'm just gonna be. If the kids win this round, they win the entire competition, and Salish doesn't have to post her Valentine's photo.
This, in my hands, is your rule book of military rules and regulations. Do you understand?
Aye, sir.
Uncross your disgusting arms now. Uncross your arms!
Sorry.
You will not lose it. You will not drop it. This is like your freaking Bible. Do you understand me?
Aye, sir.
Get it now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You're done moving. You're gonna hold it straight out in front with your elbows fully extended. Do you understand? It's backwards.
Sir.
It's back. Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. Elbows are.
Straight.
Elbows are.
Straight.
Elbows are.
Straight.
And they will remain this way the entire time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Shut up.
I was talking.
I don't care.
Yeah, but I don't want.
I don't care.
I don't want her to get in trouble.
All of you, shut up.
Gio.
If you don't do exactly what you're told, when you're told, and respond accordingly, you're out. Do you understand?
Aye, sir.
The last person standing wins it for their team. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Nobody said nod your head. Get out of here.
And there will be absolutely no mercy this round.
Squat now.
Aye, sir. Aye, sir.
Good. No, you didn't want to answer. Go away.
I wanted to answer.
Shut up. Go away. Knock your elbows out.
Aye, sir.
Squat lower now.
Aye, sir.
You still didn't respond. Go away. Lower.
Aye, sir.
No, you still didn't say anything. Go away. Lock your elbows out.
Aye, sir.
Stand.
Aye, sir.
Squat.
Each team only has one person left, and the only thing keeping them from revealing their most embarrassing photos is their discipline.
I said stand.
Aye, sir.
Squat.
Aye, sir.
Up.
Aye, sir.
No, you want to take your sweet time to respond. Nobody said look at me. Get away from me.
We are now tied 4-4, which means we have one last challenge to see who wins this whole competition. But we just reviewed the footage of the first school.
What is Inanna's last name?
OMG.
3.
Thank you. They did not ask to play the replay.
2.
Because I did not say silver.
No, they said Smith!
On our friendship, I did not say Smith.
Markel, would you have anything you'd like to share?
Well, so you know how in the first school, when there was no rules, we had the quiz. And on one of the questions, they asked us what was the young lady's last name. So when I was answering my question, I overheard you. You said Silver. I changed my answer, and I originally said Sasha. And I lied, and I changed my answer, and I tried to get us a point.
No, listen. No. Wait, I can explain.
Who would have gotten the point?
They would have.
So who would have won just now?
They would have.
The kids just won this whole challenge! Yes! I told you!
Y'all won this time, but don't worry. We'll come back stronger.
And now it's time to look through their photos.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
We should pick that one.
Oh, wow.
No, give me my phone. Yo, stop.
Today we are opening the world's smallest and largest items on Amazon. Oh, actually, and the last one is the most insane of all.
Whoa. I want to do this one.
Oh, jeez.
Might take a second. A TV?
Very cool. Mini TV, I'm gonna guess doesn't work.
Whoa!
No way! First of all, it works, and second of all, it reminds me of my childhood. Exactly what TV used to be like. Back in the day, you only had a few options. Parents out there, tell me you don't remember this. Static. Oh, I miss the static. You'd watch TV, you'd fall asleep, you'd wake up, and it's just static because there was nothing more on television.
I like this thingy.
I like it too. Is the remote working?
Nope.
Wait, let's not throw things away. She's so impatient. Oh my gosh, she's so impatient. Okay, next one. Okay, whoa, hold on.
I'm not gonna throw it. I'm not gonna throw it.
Please don't actually throw it.
Here we go.
1 through 5 stars, what do you give for the TV?
Negative like 10. It broke when I dropped it.
I'm giving it 4 out of 5 stars. Moving on. Dell and Rowan each ordered half of the products here today, but Salish and I have no idea what's inside the boxes. At the end of the video, we are going to pick our very favorite product, and whoever ordered it wins $1,000.
I'm winning that.
There's no way you're winning.
No bickering. Very competitive. Rowan and Dell want us to open this package next. Is it breakable? I hope it's not breakable. World's biggest
toothbrush.
I
am not using this.
There's actually another toothbrush in there for you.
I'll use that one.
World's smallest toothbrush. Say, come on, it's not a hairbrush. The huge final product has been loaded onto a truck and is headed towards our house, but we have no idea when it will arrive.
Now I guess I'm trying this mini toothbrush.
I'm gonna try the world's biggest toothbrush.
It smells really spicy. Ugh, I don't know how this cleans your teeth. Oh! Why is that so spicy? Oh my goodness, it's so spicy, but it's really good. I'm gonna buy some to keep in my school bag. Might be my favorite product so far.
This is your favorite product so far?
Uh-huh.
Okay, cool.
Okay, it was for sure your product. I don't know, because you don't look like you have very clean teeth.
Okay, come on.
Brown?
I'll be back for the next product, guys. Have fun.
I'm keeping these, and these are a 5 out of 5.
Why do I have a thing I'm not gonna really like this so much?
Don't get the counter messy.
The big problem with this is you can only get the front of your teeth. Well, I'll try the other way. Oh! This is really cool because you get done a lot quicker with this. I'm already done brushing my teeth.
I really hope none of my friends see this.
Always remember you gotta finish with the tongue. All right, 4 out of 5 stars. And I thought it was gonna be 1. This is cool. At least we know my teeth will be nice and clean when the final huge package shows up.
That's disgusting. Ew! Okay, Dad, let's do this one.
Nope, of course we'll do that. Want me to help you or you want to just keep, Get the muscle. Make it bigger, make it bigger.
So weird.
It's not weird. It's not effective.
It's a mini helicopter. Oopsie. I'm gonna put this together. Ready?
It's already put together.
Oh, never mind. It's already put together.
Wait a minute. Who just whispered it's already put together? I heard Dell's voice. I wonder if Dell got this product because she knew it was already put together.
I haven't even tried it, but it's a 5 out of 5. This
No,
is my
wait, you
favorite.
have to try the thing. No, you have to try the thing, Salish.
There's no way.
Whoa!
There's no. Okay, you know she's gonna crash this thing.
Oopsies.
So is this your new favorite?
Yes.
Wait, is this better than the?
Yeah, let's go race them inside the house.
No.
Come on.
No, wait, it's not better.
No, it's way better.
No,
it's so
it's
much
not.
fun.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry. I hope you didn't count on that $1,000. This is fun.
I quit.
We're gonna race these mini helicopters, and whoever gets it through the door first and out into the yard wins the Mini Matter Cup.
Dad,
Actually,
that's so weird.
I can't seem to win the big one, so maybe I can win the mini one.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, which?
Wait, why is mine going back? Whoa, why did mine break?
Oh, so if I could win? No, I don't want to go down.
That way. No, that way, Salish. No, Salish.
How to use this thing?
Pull it.
Hold on. Wait, stop. Ah!
Go stay.
Why is it not going? It's not going anywhere.
Mine's working.
Come on back this way. Come on, mine's broken.
You jinxed it.
Yes.
No, I can still.
Okay, I'm gonna go try and get mine.
No!
Whoa.
Yes! No! Dad, you jinxed it!
Wait, oh God, it's gonna hit the wall!
Oh.
Rowan, I don't know how to use this. Yeah, I know, I'm
Ow!
How did that window get open?
No! Yes, yes, yes!
Just get up. It's like.
Yay! I did it!
What? No! No! Go fly up! No!
Thank you.
What? She always wins the Matter Cup. The truck is still on its way to our house, so we have to keep opening products. Think of your favorite item so far. This one's mine.
Okay.
One of you is gonna win $1,000 any minute.
Three,
Here we
two,
go.
one. Whoa, it's a Rubik's Cube.
Mine is the world's smallest Rubik's
Whoa,
Cube.
this is so cool.
We're gonna have a contest to see which one of us can solve the white side the fastest, and whoever does wins the Mini Matter Cup.
I already won it.
Yeah, well, this is another one. I got a pack of actually 12, so I can keep doing it.
Okay. 3, 2.
Oh, okay, come on.
This one's so hard
Here
to
it comes.
move.
I'm much better at this, and I'm gonna win the Matter Cup finally! How does that get over there, and then here? Salish, I've already got 4. How many do you have? 4. I'm gonna win the Matter Cup. This is crazy! One more, don't panic, Jordan. Don't
Can't
so close.
move
I'm
it.
so close. I've got 2 more. So no. See, that's how she wins the Matter Cup. Did you see that? Done! Yeah! You all know how much this has meant to me, finally! I've been reading your comments. I know how much it meant to you also, and then I'm gonna prize this for...
Dad, it's not even the real Matter Cup. Okay, I want a bigger one.
Whoa, just don't... Oh, world's largest chocolate bar.
How is this mini?
Did you not hear the intro? I said mini and big.
Oh, I thought it was only mini.
Cue a sound effect. Ooh, I've got an idea. Let's try and make the world's largest s'more.
Okay, I thought it was only mini, bro.
In the middle of opening all the products, I'm gonna have Salish open a surprise present just for her. Here we go. New world record, world's largest s'more. There's no way anyone's ever made a bigger one. Now you're gonna cue a bigger one, right? There we go. Cue the sound effect.
We have to do this very precise and perfect. Help me!
This is actually very cool. Fun.
No!
Look, it fits perfect.
You have to break these.
No, don't. Why did you just do that?
Because I like how it is better.
We are going to keep opening items until the final one arrives, and it's the biggest one of all. No, you put that wrong.
We have to cut this in half.
No, we don't.
I got something.
No, whoa, no. Okay, it fits perfectly. Don't cut it.
No, it doesn't fit.
Just just don't cut it like this. I just want to show you how perfect.
No, it doesn't fit.
Perfect. No, look, it's perfect.
Okay, fine. I got this part.
Wow. Placing it like this.
You have to put them perfect.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. They don't have to be perfect.
Stop.
This might end up being your favorite product.
Maybe.
Rowan, Dell, who picked this product? Because you might be $1,000 richer.
I think you bought it. Because you like to eat a lot of food and especially hot food.
Are you saying I'm unhealthy or something?
Maybe.
Okay.
I have Dellins.
Okay.
No, but the graham cracker, you have to put
Can
them
you
on
help
top.
me?
I would have put the graham crackers on top.
We
For
know.
the record. Are you gonna have them after?
Yes, we have to let this sit for 5 minutes.
We've set it for 450 degrees. Let's check back in 5 minutes.
Okay, now
And the marshmallows are
Hurry
burnt.
up.
The chocolate's not melted.
That is ready. Just trust me.
This is actually gonna end up being the world's most awesome s'more.
did it.
There might be a little too much chocolate for the
Yeah,
rest of it.
yeah, I
Because it's
agree.
gonna melt all over the edge, but we'll see what happens.
It's a little melted.
Mmm.
Okay, done.
Oh, that's actually good.
Ugh.
Wow, actually.
It's a little messy.
Like, it's a little too thick, I think. Low-key, not bad. The crew is gonna eat the rest of this. We're not gonna waste it. 4.5 out of 5 for s'mores. And we just broke a world record, guys!
No, we did not. That was way more chocolate than s'mores. I'm gonna rate it like a 3. I wanna choose this one next.
Okay.
It's a mini Nintendo.
World's smallest Game Boy. Wait.
Let's play tennis. Okay, go, go, go.
I got it. Uh-huh.
You have to get up to the top.
Boom, I did it. I'm killing you.
Go, higher.
I got you. Oh, how did I miss that? Nope,
No,
there it
you
goes.
didn't. Go, go, go.
I lost.
You lost again.
I lose to her in everything all the time. 4 out of 5 because we had fun together.
It should be a 3 out of 5. This one feels cool.
Ooh, that's not light. Well, it's not hit it this time. Oh, world's
Mini
smallest
cards.
playing cards
And world's biggest cards.
Whoa, Salish is about to do a magic trick.
Okay, Dad, pick a card.
So don't look at me.
Okay.
You're looking at me.
No,
I can-
no, I'm not.
Her eyes just
No.
look down. Look over there.
Okay, now show them your card. Put anywhere here. Okay, king of that thing?
No.
Was it the ace of those things?
What do you mean of those things?
Oh, I know what it is. It is that one.
Yeah.
I know.
Wait, this is actually the card I picked. How did she actually do that just now?
Because I'm just smart.
What was the trick? Will you play back and show me what she
No,
did?
no, nothing.
Was it easier or harder with small cards?
That made the trick so much harder. I'm gonna give it like 2 stars.
Salish and I love to play cards together, so this is a 4 out of 5, so when we go to dinner, we've got them easy in my pocket. I am not picking this as one of my favorites. Rowan, what are you gonna do with your $1,000?
Oh, so much.
Dale, what are you gonna do with your $1,000? Okay, so they don't have no idea what they're doing with their $1,000. The world's biggest house of cards.
I have an idea.
Hold.
Where's tape?
We don't need tape. No, that's not the way you do. That's not the
No,
point.
this one's gonna stick. No!
Let's just do one more time, please. Without the tape, everybody calm.
Do what?
This is it. This is the moment. Please don't crash. This would be so exciting. Oh my God, yes. Okay, this is maybe another world record. I don't feel good. No! 3 out of 5. I hope the big product is almost here because this kid is driving me crazy. And now for the next product.
Why do you get to pick?
I want to take it easy on that one.
Ouch!
Oh, wait. Don't show this yet because this is for them. We have a special surprise for the subscribers. We just hit 20 million subscribers. Thank you so much. And to celebrate, we're gonna give one of you AirPods Max. All you have to do is clip a scene from this video and post it on TikTok or Shorts, and whoever gets the most likes will win the AirPods Max. No, actually no, not a pot, not a cake, no. Where's Salish? Hit Salish. See me doing this? Yes.
Oh my gosh, no, it's a dead. No.
I'm gonna win. When is this package gonna arrive so I can be done with this? She's not even anywhere.
She's passing you. She's passing you.
Oh no! Excuse me, can you listen to me? Not her.
No.
Do you have the Amazon Alexa?
Please pass it to me.
Please pass it to me. Yes. No. What?
I won.
I asked you first.
I had to be unbiased.
Oh, so tired of losing to this kid.
I won.
We're opening that. Here we go.
Maybe I shouldn't punch this one because it's pretty heavy, like a
Read something big.
balloon.
Oh, the world's biggest beach ball. This is gonna take some time.
I give up.
Our review is gonna be based on if this is fun, but also how quickly we can inflate it. So far, this is like a negative 10 out of 5. You wanna see a little trick? 1, 2, 3.
Is it your favorite?
Nope. Oh, this is gonna take a minute. We're gonna open another product and then come back.
Wait, what?
Boom.
Oh, a mini bop it. That's cool.
What is a bopper?
A bop it.
I like this thing.
Let's see who can get a higher score starting right now.
I don't know what is happening.
Ready?
Bop it. Pull it.
So anytime that,
Shush, it's getting faster.
anytime that,
Dad,
if the big product comes, we can be done. We
No,
can't.
you missed me up. I couldn't hear it.
28.
I got 28. Now you have to go.
Bop it. Twist it.
I'm gonna win.
Okay, so right now, what he's doing is he's just playing the game, and he's gonna lose because he doesn't hear it.
No!
4, 9.
That's not fair! I guess you like it.
I'm keeping that. 5 out of 5.
I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 too.
All right, the ball's done. Dad, come on, let's go play. Now it's time for a friendly game of volleyball.
Ah! Oh! Yeah!
It's too big.
Point 1! Score! Here we go. Say, oh, there you go. Oh no!
No!
But you're
Yay!
What?
Yes, say.
Oh, actually. Whoa! What? Definitely not my favorite. I don't know who picked this, but Rowan, it's your fault. I thought this would be a 5 out of 5, but 0.
Might be a favorite product.
Is the package almost here? We have to open all these packages until the biggie arrives that we can finish it on. What do you think is in it?
I don't know.
It's huge.
I hope a dog.
Apparently. A dog? I think it was like a baby elephant.
No, I want it to be a dog. Okay, next thing.
Okay, some of these things are electronic,
Wow.
maybe. This is currently our favorite product, so whoever picked this product is winning $1,000.
Okay.
Yes!
You don't even know what the graphic was.
I don't know what it was.
Mini beauty blenders. Oh, so Del for sure picked this.
I don't know anything about beauty, or is that
No. When you do your makeup, like you use this to like blend everything.
Okay, so is that it? Ow, ow. I'm gonna give this a 0.
Whoa, wait. You gotta use it first.
With what?
It's this?
Oh, that's actually kind of adorable.
So this is the biggest makeup palette you can get, and this is the smallest beauty blender you can get. I'm gonna do your makeup.
My makeup? I don't do makeup.
You are today. Concealer. Oh, it's kind of shade matching. This blender is like not it.
Ow. Ow, that was in my actual eye.
Sorry.
Rowan, you did this just to see me getting makeup.
No, I wouldn't do that because that wouldn't be funny at all. That wouldn't be funny.
We're gonna do a wing.
Okay, that really
Okay,
hurts.
open.
I think we've tested the palette.
No, we're gonna go and do some blush.
Oh, man.
How's the beauty blender?
I think you bought this and Rowan bought the makeup palette.
It'd be cool if that was your favorite product of the day.
If you bought it so I would be in makeup to humiliate me,
That was not
I
my
promise
intention.
you're not gonna have to quit this time.
Is he saying he's gonna fire me?
This doesn't feel right to me. Ouch.
There we go. 3, 2. Don't you look so pretty?
0 out of 5.
What? I like the beauty blender.
No.
3 out of 5 for the beauty blender.
I'm gonna go wash this off.
Next thing. Ow.
Ooh, world's smallest squirt gun.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
Haha.
I don't trust her.
I have to go fill it up. There we go. Aw, poor baby. That's it? That's all the water it can take? It can take barely.
We'll have a water gun fight! Ah! Come on, you want some of this? You want a water gun fight, do you? Yeah. Who's top matter? You want some of that? I love this. Who wants a vote? What? What was that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you're top matter, you're top matter. 0 out of 5. It didn't protect me at all.
This is not the biggest water gun, or else I would pick it for my favorite, but I have to go get changed now.
This day is definitely not as easy as I thought it would be, so where is that final package? We are going to keep opening products until the final item arrives, and it is the biggest one of all.
It's a phone.
No way.
Whoa! It's a mini phone.
That is so cool. We got this entire idea inspired by the Anazala family, who did a very similar video a couple of weeks ago, and this was my favorite one of their small products. I don't know which one of you got the phone, but this has got to be my new #1.
Whoa! Wi-Fi. Whoa! It actually works. We're on a video. Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all. We're on a mini phone. Is this?
There's Sandy. There's
This is
Carter.
actually working.
There's owner. Bye-bye.
I love this one.
Whoa, this is so cool.
Okay, this is actually
This is
working.
so
That looks
cool.
really good. Hey, Salish, look at you.
Wow.
Say hi.
Hi.
I'm filming you on an iPhone that's like an inch right now.
I know that.
Isn't that so cool? It just ended. It said bye-bye.
It died.
It comes with a case. It works. It gets on Wi-Fi. It does photos and videos. This is cool.
Oh, can we test if it breaks?
No, actually don't. Don't take it. 5 out of 5, probably my top pick.
I'm gonna rate it like a 2.5 because it died so quick.
So I guess we're opening these two together, according to Dell and Rowan. What? I've got mini knives.
I've got a mini blender. Let's make a smoothie.
Have you clipped your scene yet? Because this might be a good one, and this could be yours. First step to making a smoothie, cut all the ingredients. Oh, actually, that just goes right through.
This knife is not good.
It's sharp, though. Because it's too little to go all the way through
Yeah,
the
exactly.
lemon.
Blueberry, strawberry. This is the liquid.
Would you ever use this? Comment below. Would you like to see Salish live in a tiny house for 24 hours?
Sure.
Nothing.
Show me.
Show you what?
Take the thing out of your back pocket.
What back pocket? What do you mean?
No,
Actually,
Can I open it?
Sure. That was supposed to be like a surprise to the end thing.
What is this? Oh my gosh, is this my favorite perfume?
It is, actually.
How did
yeah.
you know that I like this so much?
I just know, you know.
Thank you so much. I love this one.
Actually, your mom got it for you. That was mom. She got
Really?
it. Yes.
Thank you,
I was like, I had no idea that you liked that.
I love this brand and Mom and I love this scent. Let's
good.
put it on.
On what, me?
Put it
No,
on.
no, thank you. I have my own
Come
smell.
smell,
No, I have my own smell. We're good. We're good.
I think it's working.
Is it gonna blend up the fruit?
It is not blending
It's
at
not
all.
blending.
I think this was a fail, but I think you should try it.
Oh, wow. That's like all lemon juice. Nothing blended. That's a 0 out of 5.
Yeah.
All right, next product is.
let's
I think I want to do this one.
Jordan, the final box is here.
Salish, you're gonna love it. Come on, Dad, I want to go see.
Okay, I guess we're done.
Whoa, that is so cool.
Say, don't open it without me. What is
Okay,
this?
ready?
It is huge and apparently very expensive too. Okay, and I don't want to break
I need
it.
help, Dad.
Oh, no way!
Whoa!
No way! No way!
It's a big phone.
This is so cool. This is a giant iPhone from Padzilla that does everything an iPhone could do. Wait, how much does this cost though?
$15,000.
What?
Don't worry, we rented it. Okay,
what should
I
we do
want to
first?
start
Oh,
with
let's do a
Instagram.
podcast.
No, let's do Snapchat. All these filters are so bad.
What? Oh my God! Wait, that was weird. Do that again.
No.
I want to do a mustache
do
filter.
this one.
Can I want to do a mustache filter. Fine face.
No.
That's
This one makes you
weird.
look young.
Okay. Oh.
I I'm sending that.
Oh, wait, who are you saying it to?
Your story.
You just put it on my story?
You're welcome.
For no explanation?
Yep.
This thing is so cool.
Ooh, most likely to. I'm most likely to be a celebrity. Most likely to be a light to event.
I'll just do this.
There.
Be a doctor? Okay, when am I gonna get started with that? I don't know if I'm ready for med school. Oh, this I like. No, I look so cool. Okay, why did you take away the cool thing? You know what? I'm gonna do a filter. I want to do the filter I wanted to do for a while ago. Wait for it. I just wanted to see Salish with the mustache.
You're never gonna find it. Nope, smile.
Oh.
Okay, we're posting that on your story.
No, actually don't. Not on the public story.
Nope, on the public story.
No. Well.
Perfect. TikTok.
Oh yeah, let's do a TikTok. Everything seems to be exactly like an iPhone, but huge.
Okay, Dad, you have to do this trend, okay?
Okay. Oh, fun. We get to do that together?
Yeah, I'm lifting you though.
That's okay?
Yeah, perfect. That was fun.
I absolutely love this phone. The one issue for me is if you're above 6 feet tall, you can't actually be seen in it unless you get like this close. And for me, I don't want to get that close to any phone. I guess it's time to pick now. One of them is about to win $1,000. Salish and I discussed our favorite product, which is not the iPhone large one because we had to rent it, we didn't buy it. So our favorite product is, are you ready? Here it comes. Who bought the helicopter drone?
Oh my God! I would just like to thank my mom and my dad.
Congratulations, Del. Here's $1,000. Great work, everybody.
You know, Roan and I worked really hard on this video together, so here's $100.
You get 900? Down.
Good job, Rowan.
80,000 fans swarm American Dream Mall as teen star Salish Matters pop-up spirals into chaos.
Sincerely Yours skincare line, one of the largest events the mall has ever hosted.
Media reports describe the event as pure chaos.
When an estimated 80,000 fans showed up, overwhelming the venue.
No! Salish!
State police intervened and shut down the event early amid safety concerns.
Dad, we can't end it. People came from...
I know.
All of this just to not see her.
Police are saying they're gonna arrest me at this point if I go out?
Come on. We gotta go. Come on, hurry up, bro. I still have to pack.
You haven't packed yet?
I mean, kind of.
We leave in 30 minutes.
I'm very aware of that, Colin. Thank you. Okay.
Where are you going, say?
To New Jersey.
For?
A launch event.
Of?
Sincerely Yours. Does this look like a grandma top?
What's the event gonna be like?
Well, I'm either gonna have to be in front of a lot of people or no one's gonna be there.
What are you gonna do if nobody's there then?
I guess continue the show on. The show goes on.
I'm in a cab in New York City on my way to a live interview for Good Day New York to talk about Sincerely Yours.
Is she in New York with you? What's going on?
Yeah, we have an event tomorrow, 24 hours before the official launch, and I've got to do it live.
The only time I've ever done meet and greets is like at VidCon, and those are so much fun. So hopefully people come because then I can meet even more people, and that would be so fun. The entire reason we started Sincerely Yours is because when I was in Fresno visiting Nidal, my skin was super irritated because I used the wrong cleanser. And yeah, my skin was just super sensitive. And it's so good for sensitive skin, and I love it so much. Look at that package. Like, do you see how perfect this yellow is?
Yes, I know that's nice, but like...
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
The first 100 people at this pop-up are gonna get this hoodie, but I don't even know if we're gonna get 100, so hopefully we do. If not, I'll just give it to you guys, so comment below if you want this hoodie.
I think you might have overpacked.
Really? It's heavy.
I'm on the Good Day New York set, and we're about to go live, talk about Sincerely Yours, and probably a couple questions about Salish, but maybe ask one about me too.
I'm thinking about what happens if no one shows up.
People are going to show up, say. Let's go. How many people do you think are going to be there?
I don't know.
Like 10, 20, 100?
I hope 25, because that's my like second lucky number.
Say the Uber's here. Let's go. Go.
Hurry up, Colin. Let's go.
I'm moving.
We're at the airport and we're running late, so we have to get to the gate as soon as possible.
Salish, do you have everything you need? Do you have your charger? Say.
No, I forgot.
Say, do you know what your dad's doing right now?
No.
He's on the news.
They want to interview.
him with
I
his
know.
old-looking skin.
I know, probably not the best person, but yeah.
You know what? You do you.
Look at your skin. Look at me. I'm 97 years old. But look, because I use Sincerely Yours, I'd say 22.
I'm so excited about the entire Sincerely Yours team because they've done an amazing job. But hopefully people show up. I'm really excited.
I'm now at the American Dream Mall, where less than 24 hours from now, we are going to have this live event. I am so proud of Salish for making Sincerely Yours, for bringing in dermatologists, for making sure that teenagers loved it, for putting so much effort in herself. And I want to make sure that this event is super successful. So I'm going to do some stupid things right now to try and get extra people to come tomorrow. That should do it, right? Hey everybody, tomorrow there's a pop-up. It's way better than the Giants. It's skincare. They're all coming tomorrow, I can just feel it. Salish Matter, come see Salish and her dad Jordan. Do you want to come to the pop-up tomorrow? That was a no. We had no idea that this incredible event would get so out of control. She's not leaving. No.
They called 100 police officers on their day off to come to the mall.
There's an hour 58 minutes until we land, and there's so much to do before the event tomorrow.
This is Courtney, she's helping us out with the event for tomorrow. The plan is, here's the pop-up, and that's 1,000 people in line. The pop-up would be right over there. And then for the stage show, more people can be here.
This fits, let's call it 7,000 to 10,000 people.
In order to have a really full place, we'd need 10,000 people split up.
I think you're gonna have it tonight, waiting in line over
Are you kidding me? We have no idea how many people are gonna be here, but they're prepared for a lot.
All right, we just arrived at the airport, and now we gotta get our bags and then go to the mall because we have a ton of stuff to do before tomorrow. So let's go.
Why are you here?
To see Salish.
Let's go to see Jordan. Did you hear that?
Team Salish.
Meet Jordan Matter tomorrow. Meet Salish Matter, and I'll be around there too.
All right, well now I guess we have to go meet my dad and then go through the whole walkthrough.
Are you ready?
No.
Salish is on her way from the airport. I'm gonna meet her in front of the stage, and we're gonna start rehearsing for tomorrow's big day, but we have no idea who's actually gonna be here.
We just got here and there's literally a line of people. That's crazy.
The event doesn't start till tomorrow.
I know. Hi. Oh my God. Hi. Thank you guys so much for coming. Oh my gosh. Hi. You look so cute. Hi. That was a lot of people already. That was like.
So maybe there will be people there.
Maybe, hopefully.
So there's a special person coming to surprise Salish. It's Kato. She knew he was coming, but then he almost missed his flight and told her he wasn't coming. So later he's gonna surprise her, and wait till you see how we do it.
I just got to the mall. Now I'm gonna go to the Ninja Kids event to see Peyton. Let's go, come on, let's go. Come on. I can't wait to see Peyton. I miss her so much. Hi. Hi. Oh, this is so embarrassing.
Love it. New Ninja Pose, Salish.
Thank you. Guys, some of these people are saying that they're gonna be here tomorrow, so hopefully they actually come.
Like, how many people so far? What's our count?
That's like 20.
20 people.
Yeah.
We need a lot more than 20 people.
No, but 20 is pretty good. I hope my dad has been successful at getting people to come.
Yeah, if you're ready to have some fun tomorrow, you can meet, well, Jordan Matter and Salish Matter!
I hope people show up so that I get to meet people all day. Wait, Colin, this is bad because they're actually like the nicest people I've ever met, and they might be a little bit excited, and I don't want to let them down. Like, I don't know what to do.
You know how to dance? What are you gonna do? Could you sing?
No, are you joking? Can I sing?
I am an animal. Yeah.
No.
Now I gotta go meet Salish at the stage so we can run through the performance and pop up for tomorrow. It's getting real.
Hi, where have you been?
I've been around.
Oh, hi.
What was
nice to see you.
I just got a hug. You ready?
Yeah.
You gotta go rehearsal.
Okay, let's
go. Come on.
Dad, I don't know if I'm really ready, but let's go, I guess.
Maybe no one will be here and you won't have to be embarrassed.
I really hope so.
Let's go.
Let's go, come on.
Say, that's gonna be you right over there.
Bro, not that many people are gonna be there. What if it only fills up to like the first row? What if there's like 20 people in there? That's gonna be so embarrassing. Or what if there's a lot of people and I don't know what I'm gonna do for my show?
So this is the Kato who said he wasn't able to make it.
Yeah.
Which is a bummer, but
yeah.
I'm sure he'll watch the live stream tomorrow. Matthew has something for you. He built this. It's been taking a long time. It's pretty sick. Okay, go ahead.
Congratulations on your launch.
Thank you.
Close your eyes and follow me. All right, you ready? We'll lead you in.
Right here.
Take a look in 3, 2, 1. Check it out.
Whoa!
Isn't that so awesome?
That's so cool.
There's actually something that's even crazier.
What?
There's a secret on the inside.
Hi, Say.
Kato?
Hi, Say.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
Nice to see you. I thought you missed your flight.
I did it. I just wanted to surprise you.
You didn't. You lied to me.
In a good way. It was a good lie.
I put the invite out to Nadal and Kato to surprise her together because, you know, they're also besties, Nadal and Kato. But Nadal's unavailable to come, so it was Kato. And it looks like they're happy with that. You good? Wow! You guys are all staying here tonight? Yeah! And you're excited about that? Yeah! If you're here now, are gonna get the option to have a selfie with Salish or a hoodie. Which one are you gonna pick? So you guys are already in line.
Yes, sir.
And you're first in line.
Yes, sir.
What time did you get here?
7 p.m.
15 hours before this thing starts.
Yes, just for you and Salish.
Oh, for me? She came for me? Only me?
For you, she came for Salish.
All right, let's go. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna sleep here?
Yes.
This is crazy. Okay, so now we know people are gonna be here. I don't know how many people are gonna be here, but there's some already lining up and it's not even midnight. Look at who we've got in the house, Brent Rivera.
What's up, guys?
Are you even kidding me? A 3,000-mile flight to be here.
That's right, 4-hour flight, but we're here.
Here we are, thank you.
All right, guys, look at this. This is like the actual part of the pop-up. It looks so cool already. Thank you guys so much for putting this together. After the live show, which I'm freaking out about, this is gonna be the pop-up where everyone's gonna get their free samples and just really cool things, and they're gonna learn all about Sincerely Yours.
You can get your very own Sincerely Yours products right now in Sephora stores, but make sure to call first in case it's sold out.
I know I was doubting myself, but now I kind of feel like there are gonna be a couple more people that do show up. Do you agree, Colin?
There's definitely gonna be a lot of people, but like.
Okay, but like I want to make them happy. Like if there's gonna be a lot of people, then I don't want them to leave like sad that they came. Like I want them to leave with like the best experience of their life.
You're gonna be on stage tomorrow. Do you have any idea what you're gonna do?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Ladies and gentlemen, Salish Matter.
No, I can't talk in front of people. That's too scary.
This is concerning.
We're doing a live performance right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm starting to think that there are gonna be a little more people than I thought, and I don't know what to do.
No, you got this.
No, but what do I do on stage?
Just go like this. Ready? Hi, 50,000 people. Thank you for coming.
Okay, I think 50,000 might be a stretch.
Little does she know, but I think Kato was right. Say you're gonna kill it tomorrow.
Thank
I
you.
love you. Kato, thank you for being here, man.
Thank
I really
you. I
appreciate it
appreciate
so
it.
much. I love you, Say. It's 1 a.m. and in a few hours, this place is going to be packed. I hope. But right now, I have no idea if that's actually gonna be true. So we're just prepping for the best and hoping for it. So this whole thing is gonna be a stage show. Over there is gonna be the pop-up. Let's see how it goes. Everybody's been working for a year and a half on this. Salish has put in a lot of time and effort, but a bunch of people have. And I hope it's successful. And I hope people love the product because it's super awesome. I hope you get it and try it too. This is still 9 hours before it happens.
Outside right now, but I'll see all of them tomorrow, and they're so sweet.
Salish wanted to get donuts for everybody that was waiting outside overnight for her, so she sent me to grab these donuts. Let's go hand them out. Come on. Who wants donuts? She sent me on her behalf.
It was really touching to see you guys waiting outside to be the first in line for our event. But we didn't expect miles and miles of cars taking over all the highways around the American Dream Mall with an insanely long line forming in the parking lot in the middle of the night so they could be first at our event the next morning. After only a few hours of sleep, I woke up to our CEO sending me urgent text messages. Right before we left to go to the mall, I got this call. So just so I'm clear, the atrium has been completely closed and the line is full for the pop-up.
Oh, it's beyond full. It's out of control. I just want to make sure you get here so we get started because I'm worried that they will shut us down.
Okay, thanks.
How many people are there?
I think over 10,000 people there now.
That's amazing though.
It's amazing, but now
You guys
it's
are
about.
loved.
I know, but I want to
People
love
came.
back. Like, I know, it's amazing. Now we've got to make sure they all feel good. If we run out of product to pop up, if we run out of product to Sephora, people wait for hours. they're gonna be really bummed out. So I don't know what do we do now?
People understand. They just want to see you.
I just want to talk to you.
You're not gonna be able to talk to everyone of them. I can tell you that.
I'm gonna try. If they stay long enough, I'll stay long enough. I think Salish would too. So with no time to waste, we had to rush to the mall.
Thank you everybody for being here. I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much to the team that helped create Sincerely Yours. You guys did an amazing job. I love all of you. Thank you. And yeah, I hope you guys love Sincerely Yours. Bye.
In 4 minutes, we go live. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you. Alrighty. We couldn't believe how big this crowd was because not only did we have a ton of people inside the mall, but we also had a giant line outside still trying to get in. And not just that, but because of this event, we stopped traffic on an entire highway and filled up all the parking lots of the mall. So the police not only had to take care of the people inside, but they also had to guide all of the drivers to the football stadium right next to the American Dream Mall to use their parking lot.
2 minutes! In case you didn't hear, 2 minutes! Dad, I forgot my hoops. That's so bad. I only have these small ones.
That's not a small hoop.
That's so small. Look at that.
I don't get how loose she is. This is crazy. We're live?
Hello, everybody.
Are we? I don't know. We're backstage for Salish's Sephora skincare launch, Sincerely Yours, which is live right now at Sephora.com and sincerely-yours.com. And I think there might be a few people waiting for us outside.
Yeah, I heard about that.
Guys, I'm gonna come out and see you right now. Salish, I don't think you even need to see her, but I'll find out when I get on stage.
Yeah.
We got up yesterday morning having no idea how many people would be here. And now we've just heard that there are over 30,000 people here. I've seen you guys in like 10 seconds. Oh, wow. Oh my.
You're watching right now live. There's a lot of people. I'm so excited. Are you excited to do your ninja in front of everyone?
What the heck? What? Oh my God! What? Hello, hello! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! This is crazy! Thank you guys! Oh my God! Wow! I don't even know what to say. I've never seen anything like this. This is... Hi! We are live streaming, so say hi to the rest of the world. This is insanity, insanity. As you all know, Sincerely Yours is now live and available for everybody to purchase. Now, do I even need to bring out Salish?
Oh! Ninjas are up! I want to launch, Mason! You got this! Have fun! You'll do great. You won't drop it, and if you drop it, it doesn't matter. Hey guys, I can't even watch it, and I really want to see Peyton.
And immediately things are getting out of control with the police trying to shut us down.
The faster we go, the less likelihood they shut it down.
I can't have Brent get cut off on his team. Like, there was no way I was going to do that.
I'm sending Colin back to go see Salish. Go back and see Salish. And things just kept getting worse and worse for us because during the Ninja Family presentation, the police officers were literally pushing us to end the entire show right there.
They're going to have to tell everyone we're stopping the show if people don't clear out. So the state police is forcing us to do that.
They can't shut us down. Salish hasn't even come out yet. And to make it even tougher on us, Asala from the Anazala family was supposed to be on stage singing, but this was happening. Is Asala here? We need Asala.
The cops don't let them out.
What?
The cops don't let them out. They say nobody comes out till they clear the people here.
Well, why aren't the police clearing it?
This is insane. I don't know what's going on outside there.
Can you help us? Yeah. They need to be cleared. And just to make everything even worse,
The police said you will have to stop the show.
our show's about to get shut down. This is so stressful. I can't believe it that they're going to shut us down. Salish is waiting to go on stage and has no idea we might get shut down.
Ooh, I'm scared. Is that live?
That's live.
Hi guys! I saw you freaking out over my dad, but there's not much to freak out about because he's kind of boring.
Hello, let's go Ninja Kids, let's give it up! Okay, listen, the state police are literally saying that they're gonna stop us, and I know we wanna finish this show. We have 3 more awesome acts. I desperately wanna do this for you. Please step back so we can do this. Everybody step back. Are we good? Please tell me we're good. We got the green light. All right, yay, we got the green light. We can keep going. Yes! All right, everybody stay back, okay? You know these people very well. The Anazala family. We gotta go super fast. Asala has prepared a special song to sing for Salish, and then you'll get to see Salish. They're shutting us down.
I know, I heard.
And unfortunately, we had to rush through the whole event so people could at least see Salish. We had to bring her to the main stage as soon as possible so she could interact with everyone.
I heard you're being a little crazy right now, which is very sweet, but we don't want to get this shut down. So if everybody could please just calm down a little bit. Thank you so much. But if you could just calm down a little bit so that we can keep on going with our show. My heart is beating so fast.
You got this. Come here.
So fast.
You got this. You okay?
Thank you.
There's an
There's like 40,000 of you here. Hold on. Is she ready? Is she ready?
Oh my gosh! Wow! This is crazy. Oh! Hi guys! Alright, guys! Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Every level needs to step back from the stage.
Oh my God, again? Okay, is Kato ready? Get Kato. Okay, everybody.
Can you please step back?
Please, I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much.
Let's give it up for our next guest. In the middle of the show, the police tried to shut us down again.
Hurry up.
I'm trying. Okay, ready? With no explanation, we got kicked off the stage. All right, here we go. What? Here we go, step off. Unfortunately, the only thing Salish could do was wave goodbye while we were all getting pushed off the stage early. And since I had no idea what was happening, I was screaming for Salish to come back. Tell me sure Salish doesn't leave. She's not leaving. No. Salish! No, where's she going? No, we're not done. What?
We're getting shut down.
She can't come back on.
I'm trying to understand, did you just take her off stage intentionally?
Yes.
With no goodbye? Okay, now what? Can we do the pie? Why? When she's out there, they were just as crazy when she's not. And the police were right behind the stage, ready to kick us off. So I had to rush things and get out of there immediately. Oh my God, no! Get ready to enjoy the pop-up. Everybody go there, we're gonna have fun. Thank you so much for being here. Woo! Thank you. And even with police pushing to get me off stage, I can never leave you guys hanging. But sorry for the whipped cream all over your hands. That was a little unpleasant way to end it, but that was the craziest experience of my life.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
Oh my God!
Oh, what happened to you?
Dad, you're cut. Are you okay?
So I got a head cut, but Kato was really sweet and he cleaned me up, just like a son-in-law would do. Okay.
Dad, we can't end it. People came from so far.
I don't know what to do.
There's a lot of people in C Court. We told them that you would make a quick appearance there to say hi and check the box if they've got to see you. They're a little bit concerned about yourself because you're going to be a little bit bigger of a draw, so they want to limit it just to you.
So what's she doing? Is she just staying back
here? You just have to let it calm down.
What's happening? Like, why are they shutting it down?
They were afraid that there was a safety concerns. 80,000 people we just found out are here. Brent, 80,000 people.
That's a lot of people.
That's crazy.
If you think about a full football stadium, that's how many people are here. Is Salish coming with me?
No, she can't.
She's not making any more public appearances, but we're going to cancel her private session too if this goes bad. So we don't want that to happen. So we need this to go smooth.
Okay.
She's definitely not coming into public ever for the rest of the day. That's done already. She's only going to her private signing right now.
The mall set up an overflow area for people who didn't get to see the stage show, and they're taking me there now. This is my first attempt to say thank you to the 80,000 people that showed up to see us. They don't feel comfortable letting Salish go out there yet, but hopefully soon when the crowd thins out a little bit, she'll be able to go out and start saying hi to people too. All right, Miles, let's go for a ride.
The amount of people that you have here is way more than he has.
He was saying that we have more people here than Mr. Beast did for Beast Burger. That, I cannot even fathom that. See all these security guards? They're all from me. Matthew and the Costco guys slammed me with their pie and it wasn't made out of crust. And so I got a big cut and a bunch of pie stuff in my hair, but hey.
Do you want me to look at it?
This is like next level crazy. Salish desperately wants to come out. She's like fighting with them to let her come out. It's 11:30 right now. We have 10 hours until the mall closes. I'm gonna try and meet every person with Salish. I cannot even believe how amazing this is. I'm bringing a message from Salish right now. Things are a little too crazy and the security does not feel safe having her come out right now. They're asking me to ask you guys to go enjoy the mall so she can continue doing her thing. I just want to thank you for your time, but I want to say one thing. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much. This is absolutely insanity. Look at that. Incredible. Okay. Thank you so much. Wait, let me just say. Sorry. Bye. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. There isn't a single thought I ever had in my mind that this many people would show up. So many people are gonna be upset. It's like they wait overnight for me to come out with no mic and wave to them. It's like bad.
We left our house at 3 a.m. and there was like 2,000 people there.
The cops were called. It was chaos.
We know how disappointed you are, so are we. We really want to come back and see you all, but we have to follow what the police are telling us to do. The police are trying to keep everyone safe, and they've told us if we step foot into the mall, they will arrest us. All right, so now we're going back to the dressing room. I think Salish is going to go live to explain to everybody why she got yanked off stage. I think that's really important. The state police said that Salish has absolutely been shut down. She may be allowed to go to her meet and greet, otherwise she's not allowed to do anything. She's dying in there. She just wants to get out and say hi to people. We really want to just get on here and say thank you so much for like supporting us, you know? And we really desperately want to get back out there, but right now, what they're saying is it's too chaotic, right? So people have to kind of disperse a little bit from the mall because Salish has a meet and greet to go to and we want to check out the pop-up, but we can't do that if it's too crazy in that mall. We're stuck back here, but we don't want to be back here. We want to be with you and we're going to try our best to be back there.
Yeah. I hope I can see you guys. Bye.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
If Salish goes to the meet and greet and on the way creates too much chaos, that means they'll shut down the meet and greet, and people were really excited for that. So we have to at least make the meet and greet happen.
So there's like 10 state troopers, like armed guards, that are gonna be around her. They called 100 police officers on their day off to come to the mall.
Oh my God, what is happening today? May I ask you one question, officer? Sure. She's the big draw here. She's about to go do the meet and greet. Is there any chance that we could revisit the me walking around and waving to people in the mall thing?
Nah, I think that's done. Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot.
Huh?
There's 4. That's a lot.
Here we go. We're being chill. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So we get to say hi to 400, 500 people out of 80,000 is not a good percentage. They're so excited, man. You look and they're all smiling. They're beaming. They're not letting me go out and say hi to everybody, but I want to. Will you say hi to people for me? Say they both really want to come say hi, but they're not allowed to at the moment. And also, wow, he's a lot cooler than I thought he was. Can I get a high five?
Hi guys, so I came here for my Make-A-Wish and I'd recommend watching her channel. I even got this hoodie. I hope you have a great day. Bye.
Yeah, high five. Thank you.
Salish was trying to take as much time as possible with each person, but once again, the police threatened to shut us down if we didn't speed up the line.